Yo. Let me check.
It should be alright now. Yeah, you should be able to hear me now. Morning.
Morning, elite man. Uh,
Now I hear.
Perfect.
Yeah, hang on.
You. You. Whoa,
Yeah, alright.
loud.
So, yeah, like I was saying yesterday, we were still in bullish structure on this blue level here I've marked out. But on the red one here, which is more intraday, more lower time frame, we were bearish. So I was willing to take sells as long as I took a lot of my positions off, which I did, and then price ended up reversing, as you can see. But now what's ended up happening is, yesterday we broke this level, pushed upwards, tapped into the discount here. So now we're bullish on the red structure level, and we're also bullish on the blue. So for me, sells are a lot more likely today, but I'm also taking into account the fact that we still have not tapped into the discount of this overall bullish leg here. We're still to tap into that discount. We came very close yesterday, or sorry, the day before, but we're still to tap into it. The only other bullish structure level I can see is the purple one here. So I'm gonna get better at explaining this all with all the colors. I feel like it should be easy to understand.
Explaining
Relatively.
is hard, bro. Explaining is
Yeah,
hard.
yeah, especially structure. But
Yeah. You see me struggling a lot with the structure. Like, because when doing it by yourself, it's completely different. Just trying to explain it to someone.
yeah,
Because, like, it's more second nature to you when you're just going, like, bang, 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 bang.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
oh, it's muscle memory. But when obviously you have to explain it and speak while doing it, it does
That's
throw
it.
up a little
Yeah,
bit. But it's part of the challenge. It's part of the fun.
that's it. Yeah. But so yeah, overall, price has taken the liquidity above here. So I do like the push downwards into the deeper end of the bullish leg that we're still in technically. But at the same time, there's various different structure levels which are also showing we could push up. So in summary, I'm willing to take both sides, buys and sells. I do prefer the buys because it lines up more with, it lines up with more time frames right now. So the only thing to do now is figure out where the liquidity actually is, and decide what area I'm gonna wait for. Personally, I do right now. I'm liking this area here, 166,660. To wait for that to get taken. The only reason I say that is because obviously it's a clear low, right? But also it's a key level. I can see loads of bounces around the same area.
660.
166,660.
Yes.
So
Exactly the
yeah,
same area as you. Yeah.
yeah, it's a rough key level. Plus, I've just noticed this now. We've got an order block sitting right below it, and
And
we
if we break,
know that
yeah,
we know the
yeah,
algorithm likes to target these order
very, yeah,
blocks.
you're right.
So yeah,
Yeah.
what was
Uh,
that?
if one six six sixty also is the 4 hour low structure anyway, so if that gets broken, well, not only will you bearish on the lower time frame, we'll also be bearish on the macro scale as well, the 4 hour time frame, right? So at that point, sales are
Right,
very, very much likely.
interesting. Because I'll be buying from there.
Well, that's the thing. Well,
Yeah.
it is I'm not expecting it to completely collapse from there. There's it breaks
Mm.
structure, but after it breaks structure, what do you normally have? A
Yeah.
higher low, and then we have a push down. So not just because you're buying there doesn't mean
That's it. Hello,
it's what I
Fernando.
mean.
What you saying? But
Uh,
yeah, on the buys at least. Sorry, the sells.
yeah,
I
I'm
think
guessing you
I'm
want
just
these
gonna wait
highs.
for the clear high, right?
Yeah,
167, 170. I'm
yeah.
gonna wait for that to get taken. Tap into. Oh, look at this. Okay, price is giving us beautiful setups today. We've got another order block sitting above here. So clear buys for me today. We either push up, take these highs, and I'll be looking for the counter trend sell. Could be a little dangerous, I won't lie, because like I said, that sell will be dangerous because we are in bullish structure here on the red level. So if we do end up getting those sells,
Morning, guys.
I'll be taking a bulk of the profit off again, like a larger amount than normal, because like I said, we're against the trend. But on the other hand, if we tap into this low here, I'm much more willing to hold larger runners for the buys because it's lining up more with me. It's the opposite of what Mark just said, but in terms of comparing the two trades, for me the buy is more likely right now to go further at least. Yeah, I'll let you show
It doesn't go against what you said at all, to be honest. But let me just fix my structure points over here.
I'm lagging bare recently. I don't know why. It's so weird.
Let me get rid of that. 1 second.
Very weird. Let's plug the trading view chat, boys. If there's someone in there who could do it as well, imagine we could just get like the Enigma army spreading in every single chat. That'd be so funny.
Okay, here you go. So Adeel was saying, yeah, so that he had key level over here in the it is a 4-hour level, but I think he saw it on the 15 or the 30 or something. But okay, so my key level over here is 166,660 as well. Relatively close to what Adeel was saying. He is saying if you break this this low, there's a good chance that we do push back up, and there's a really good chance we do push back up. But bear in mind, if we do close below here on the 4-hour time frame, we are now in a bearish structure. Okay, so now technically this is going to be our high, and then this is going to be our lower low over here. Sorry, this is going to be our low over here. It's going to be our low point. After we made that structure, obviously we're going to need to create a lower high. And then obviously we're going to make a lower low. So there is a good chance we do retrace back up after breaking these lows. It's not just because we break the lows we're going to keep selling. Obviously we're already in sell positions. Well, I'm already in sell positions at the moment. Still in break even. Practically you can see break even for this and then just a bit of drawdown for this one. But obviously if we do break this level, I'll be even more confident to hold my trades, as it will be in bearish structure for the 4-hour for the first time since taking this trade, I'm pretty sure. And we're still bearish on the daily time frame as well. So, you know, this will be quite a good one for us to potentially hold. And I am starting to keep a track of everything. So from now on, for 2023, I'm going to keep a note of how long I am in the trade for. So let's say I'm in the trade for 4 hours, and it says, okay, if you've only been in a trade for 4 hours and it starts reversing against you, the likelihood of you getting tapped out is 70%. Then obviously I'll know and I'll be ready. But let's say if the longer I hold the trade, the higher the percentage that it works out, then obviously I'll be more confident to hold the trade, even though it's been consolidating against and for me for the past 2 days, right? That's going to be something I keep a track of as well, seeing all this consolidation. Because during my back test, I do see that I am in quite a lot of consolidation now every time I enter. So let's see if that works out now. It seems like the average time I'm in a trade for is around 5 days. So already 3 days in. Let's see if we can start getting some moves to the downside. And then, yeah, that'd be beautiful. Cool. Actually, yeah, hold on. I do have a back test sheet I want to show you guys, and basically my plan with it. If I can just move this, there we go. Back test. It was there somewhere. Right, there we go. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in Google Sheets so it'll be easy accessible for everyone if they want to make a template of it as well. And yeah, easier accessible than Microsoft, I guess. If it loads, there we go.
Morning,
you guys see this. See this. So this is what I'm going to do, right? Every single trade I take, every single variable will be taken into account. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is, obviously with each variable, I'm going to see what the individual win rate is. And then in the dashboard, I'll have, let's say, the same exact thing over here. The exact same thing over here. Let me just copy this. It's not completed yet, but I am planning to do it. And it'll say here it'll say estimated win rate. over here, and it will give me an estimation of what the win rate will be when I enter it. How's that going to work? So, for example, on gold, what's the percentage of me winning a trade on gold or on euro dollar? What's the percentage of me winning a bullish or a long or a short position? What's the percentage of it on the weekly PA? How many times have I won on a rejected major zone type trade compared to the other ones, or so on and so forth? And you guys get the idea. Each and every variable. This is going to be the big project for 2023.
He's looking at everything.
Exactly.
That's the best way to do back testing. Once you've done
the usual
back testing, I would say.
The back test will be here, so you can see it's a back testing tracking. So this is going to be a test of what 2023 tracking is going to be like. Because as I said, anyways, I want to keep track of every single trade I take. So if someone does ask me, "What's your percentage? What's your win rate? Whatever," I don't have to keep guessing. I don't have to just estimate it. Obviously, it's an estimated guess when I say something, but I want to give an exact figure. Okay, so for this one, guys, if I take a trade on stream and I put the exact same variables on this, guys, we have a 70% chance of winning this. Obviously, take it if you want, don't take it if you don't. And then as well, I'm going to have loads of charts in here showing different types of things. So the ones I've come up with so far, if I can find my iPad, there it is.
Bally Poor, what are you on about? Price is geometric, brownie emotion, TA. I think you're on the wrong chat, mate.
What's this?
Ballypo is on the wrong chat, boys. He's really taking the piss out of you. I don't know.
So far, I want to find out profit by month, pair win rate in general, and account growth over time. If you guys have anything else you guys want me to track, oh sorry, the time as well, time spent in trade. I think that's going to be something I want to track.
All right, yeah. Let me look at GJ.
If you guys got any more like things that you guys want to track, like any more data you guys want me to track, let me know. I'll add it on. As for right now, that's the only thing I can think about. But yeah, let's see what's this guy talking about.
I'm on the right chat. Idiot. I live in 45 million house. Oh, so it's Andrew Tate is in the chat. Jesus, bro.
Price is geometric, Brownian motion, TA retail. What is Brownian? Oh, me. What?
Boys, have we got the first troll in the chat?
Let's find out.
Actually, now we had a couple trolls. They've all been a bit weird so far.
They've always been against me for some reason.
Fair, this one's a bit more entertaining. No, I'm on the right chat, idiot. I live in 45 million house, make 100k a day. Damn. Okay. So why the hell are you on TradingView then?
Why are you on YouTube, bro?
Why are you on a YouTube live stream, brother?
Silly.
Pleb.
Silly, bro. Wait, no, I'm on the right. I'm on the right chat, idiot. Oh, bro, he's getting like basically half my funding in a day. Crazy guy, man. But fair enough, man. Yeah, fair enough. If you want to donate on the stream, please be my guest.
Yeah. I can't lie. If I made 100k a day, I could think of other things to do when bored.
Yeah, buy Bitcoin.
Then go on YouTube chats. Buy
to be honest, I'm selling Bitcoin in the meantime. I can't lie to you. Sorry, Marcus, not with you at the moment. 100% money, not back.
Of course, Marcus. Of course.
I like that. I like the disclaimer.
Yeah. For anyone new who's joined, I'm waiting for the high at 167,200 to be taken before selling, and vice versa 600 before buying. The idea is that we are in bullish structure on various time frames, but we're also bearish on others. So we've got conflicting structure, to be honest. So I'm willing to take both sides today for a quick scalp, of course. Why would I give my money to fingerprint to retards?
Yeah, that's fair enough, man. That's very smart. That's very smart.
You can head over to Roger Banks' stream. That's fine. They are smarter than us for sure.
He's not lying, I guess. Why would he give his? Yeah. As for me right now, so as you guys saw yesterday on thing, I did miss a small trade. Anyways, it wasn't really something I was planning for. On gold over here. Sorry, it's a bit laggy.
Whoa.
Wait, where's my analysis gone? There it is. So you guys can see, I was expecting, you guys saw yesterday on Discord that I was expecting more of a reaction around this VWAP level, anchored on the daily swing. You can see that price did rally, so now I'm expecting maybe if we get a retracement back down, I'm more than happy to buy it. It's more of a short-term trade for me. This isn't going to be a long-term. I don't think it'll have a strong enough reaction to really push all the way up to where I really want it to go. So as of right now, it's potentially going to retest this weekly level over here. at 1804 from this 1773 level as a VWAP, and obviously there's also a cluster over here with volume as well. So 1805 would be our first target for gold. You guys know the analysis for this. If you guys don't, so we're overall in a bullish structure for gold. We're overall bullish on 4 hour as well, unless we've switched overnight. Yeah, we did. Okay, so we are now bearish on the 4 hour at the moment, but oh no, hold on. Sorry.
Balipor's blown his account, boys. Everyone put an L for Balipor because he's blown his account.
So yeah, we are currently in bearish structure, but let's say if we create a new low over here, and if we break this high, we'll be in bullish structure. So that could be a decent little thing for us and decent scaling opportunity if this trade does get triggered in. But as of right now, we are getting a reaction of the VWAP. We are bullish on the daily, and we also have this daily level as well. So plenty of reaction and plenty of confluences to take us to the upside. However, obviously this is to be fair, it's a bit less of a risky trade that I normally take, to be honest. So it's not bad. As for euro dollar, exactly the same thing. So over here with the euro dollar, yeah, this one would have been quite good. Again, expecting a retracement down to VWAP as you guys saw last time, but I said it's less likely to happen than this, and obviously that prediction was completely wrong because it happened more than it hasn't even reached this level, but it did react from a VWAP, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. It happens. But for now, we'll just maybe wait for the same setup as gold. We'll wait for retracement back up and then take us up to the previous highs. And then if that doesn't break, then that's fine. We'll just close the positions, wait for it to go back down to the second entry. Basically, that's what we're looking at.
Nice.
Cope more maths. Cope more idiots with maths. What do you mean?
He's lost. I don't know.
Bro, why don't you explain it to us so we learn this?
That's what I mean. I didn't even get the original thing he said.
Yeah.
Geometric Brownian motion. I can't lie.
You
I took
idiots
A-level
are
maths.
too
We're not studying. I'm not taking maths at uni. But yeah, anyway.
Price of the market owes me money. We never said it owes us money. It's all probability to us, to be honest.
He's just lost. I think he's
it's just probability to us. Like at that point, so we draw a support or resistance somewhere.
No, but he's trolling.
I don't care. I'll tell him to anyways.
No, what I'm saying is, what you said has nothing to do with what he's saying anyway.
No,
it's almost as if he's arguing with someone else, but he's talking to us.
I think, from what I can see, he's just basically saying that technical analysis doesn't work. So he's saying, do more maths and stuff. But fair enough. Yeah. Can anyone donate me $1? I'll come on your Discord to explain it to you. Yes, please go ahead, man.
Sure. By the way, guys, that brings us to there is a free Discord group in the description. It's a good chat. It's actually quite live nowadays. So
yeah, absolutely not. No. Where did that come from, man? It's a little sus. I can't lie. Where did that come from? Just join the Discord and explain it to us. What?
Brother, it's 7 in the morning here. I don't know about you, but relax yourself.
Bro, I just woke up, man. I can't be dealing this.
Yeah, what was he saying about DXY?
No. I'm trying to figure out what this Brownian motion.
Sort of, yeah, I guess. 105. But if we line it up with GJ, right? Let's say when USD gets stronger, JPY usually gets a little weaker, doesn't it? So let's assume. Yeah, that alone is different. I don't usually analyze DXY, by the way, but I would say we are in bearish structure on this. So
I swear to God, though, if he's just a smart money concept guy, I'm actually gonna flip my. I swear to God.
Yeah.
It proves my point.
Yeah, I can see a bounce here, but to push down overall, to be honest. I think that's the most highly probable thing, at least based on TA, I should say. Oh, damn. Imagine making 100k and not being able to go in the description. Jesus Christ.
There he is. Al-Bahum. I don't know how to say the name, but post Discord link. It's literally in the Discord description, bro. I'm in on the gold pullback then. It's way up. Wait, did you enter the gold pullback? That's crazy. Fair enough, though. It's fair enough. Now we just wait.
Yeah, so it lines it. If I'm expecting DXY to push up, we're expecting the yen to be weaker and GBP to push up. So it's against Mark, but technically, that's what's going to happen.
I've been in a trade
Hey,
for so
you
long,
have
bro.
been in
I'm
this
numb to it.
trade for years, bro. What
And
is
I'm still
going
at
on?
break even. I'm literally still at break
Man's
even.
been trying to sell GJ for a
Yeah.
month. What's going on?
What do you mean? It's been 2 days.
It's
Relax.
a month, bro, basically.
2 days. Relax. I've just been stuck in consolidation. No man's land,
No, yeah,
basically.
that's true.
Not ideal, not ideal, but it's alright.
Who else? I think Fernando said he's yeah, he's in gold buys too.
Everyone's looking at gold buys too. Let's go. Such foul mouth from this guy though. It's such an early time of the day. Do you know what I mean? Ugh. He's really bored. Man's really bored out
It's
here. Fair
good.
enough.
I like it. I think it's the first real troll we've had.
No, it's not, bro.
No,
It's just you've been off. You've been off every time.
oh yeah, they're always hating on you, innit? So
Yeah.
it is.
You can join the Zoom call if you want, bro. You know what? Join the Zoom call. You can explain it to the whole stream if you want.
Oh
Go
yeah,
ahead.
for sure.
Go
We'll
ahead.
send it to you right now if you want to
We'll
jump
send it.
on, show your
If that-
face. We're
No,
willing
no,
to.
you don't need to do that. Literally, just
No,
go on
no,
to,
bro, I'm kidding.
just go on the stream
Oh, it's
of
early.
the Zoom. Okay, I'll send it.
Yeah,
Is
send
that
it
you
to
on
him.
the? Is that you on the Discord?
Yeah,
Is that you that
yeah,
just
don't
joined?
do it on the lighter. Just do it.
No, of course not. I mean,
Sad cash. I'm not. Mark is. I'll quickly. I'll show you the
eventually.
difference.
I haven't really fully analyzed it.
Did you
So
say you're in the buys already or not? Sorry. what
no,
did
no,
you
I'm
say?
not. I'm not. I'm waiting for a retracement. I'm waiting for a pullback.
Was it 1780? You said. 1780, right? What is my chart?
1 second. Sorry, one
Chart's
second.
mad.
I'm going at Zoom. Let's see my trade. 1773 is going to be my entry potentially, but again, that's a sad talk with Mark about gold. What? What?
No, he's Sad Cash said, "Are you gonna trade gold?" That's it.
All right. I was like, wait, hold on.
Yeah, if I was to trade gold, I do like the 1780 area. To be fair, had an impulsive move upwards and a slow retracement downwards. Clear liquidity below here. But yeah, Mark's the one actually trading. Yeah,
There you go, mate.
I'm
Enjoy.
GJ Boy Elite, man.
It's on Discord. You know what? You lot in Discord as well can join if you want. Screw it. You lot in Discord
there
can
you go.
join the Zoom call too if you want to. But
I'm on gold sales right now, waiting for 4-hour candle to close the tone green. Okay, we got a couple people who use 4-hour candles and that in here, so that's pretty good. 4-hour candle, waiting for it to close the tone green. Wait, this is green, isn't it? Unless we have different 4-hour candles. I think you mean flip bullet bearish. Once this bear candle is done, bullying.
there he is. There he is.
I'm gonna start
Welcome,
saying
welcome,
that. Bullying. Oh, hello, belly puller.
welcome.
Watch Euro USD. Yeah, I might be adding. Not even might. I probably will be adding Euro USD for the start of the next year.
Guys, we have a special guest on the show. We have Ballypoor.
The first hater has joined the chat, boys. The first online debate with a hater. Actually, I'm wondering,
Please.
This man has said he makes 100k a day, so we're gonna be quiet and take notes. Go ahead.
Oh, that's though. Please do.
Go ahead.
You should be able to share your screen if you want to.
Yeah.
No, don't worry. To be honest, me too. I was hoping James was the
Actually,
first
wait,
one.
should we let him share screen? It could be something sus.
Well, you could easily get kicked if you,
Yeah, true. I was hoping. Yeah, we thought New was gonna be the first, or one of you guys, but oh well.
Hello, you good?
No, we can't hear you, Ballypool, by the way. If you're talking, I rate you for joining though.
Yeah, honestly, fair enough. If you're gonna talk, please explain this Brownian motion, TA retard.
Please explain. I heard something. Mine now probably gonna be. You mean you, Elite Man? You're gonna be last person, or? Now the thing is, we need a good balance between people in the chat and people on the call, obviously. Because if all you guys come on the Zoom call, the chat will be dead. So one or two will be good, and then later on, all the guys who have always been here from the start, you guys just jump on the call, innit? It'd be pretty cool.
Hello?
There he is. Hello.
Hello.
All this time I was yelling, I was muted.
Yeah, you're muted.
Oh,
Tell
sorry.
the idiot, tell that fucking TA idiot to shut the fuck up.
Hello. Hello.
Which TA idiot?
Whoa.
We're both TA idiots.
The black one. The black one. I at least have some hope in the Asian one to not be so fucking retarded.
I'm Asian as well,
Okay,
mate. So
please do.
you fucked up already.
Hey, bum. You do the Googling, type in the Google machine.
I thought you were gonna explain it.
Why don't you Google it and show us?
Please
friend?
explain it. You
Yeah, bro, you're making 100K a day. You can explain to
it.
it.
House in Beverly Hills, bum.
Why is your mic so bad?
Damn, I thought you were trolling. You're actually this pissed at 7 in the morning. Fucking hell, bro.
It's 11 p.m. in Beverly Hills, bum.
Bro, it's okay.
Okay, good
I've
for
blown
you.
an account too. It's okay. It happens.
What idiot? Oh, I drew a red line on the price, so the market owes me money. Bum, go get a job, idiot. It's math. What do you think? Hey, idiot.
Alright,
when people win Nobel Prizes for this, when people win Nobel Prizes in mathematics for this, what the fuck a retard like you thinks he can do that the market owes him money, idiot?
We never said.
You drew a line. The market owes you money.
Alright,
You're so dumb you can't even Google, idiot.
Okay.
Why don't you explain your side? And then
Shut the fuck up! I told you, right? You're not even qualified to clean my toilets. Literally, if you got an application in my $45 million house to come clean toilets, not one of the Mexicans would be worse than you. Okay,
Can we get?
idiot, shut the fuck up.
Poor, you're
Shut the
a
fuck up, bum.
You're a character.
Shut up, bum.
Can we get a house tour,
Valley
please?
Poor.
Yeah. I got poor in my name. You got poor in your jeans, bum.
Can we have a house tour,
I'm
please?
I'm offended.
No shit, you should be, idiot.
Can we have
I'm offended you're not homeless. You deserve to be homeless on your bridge sucking
Who
dick.
hurt you, bro? Who
I
hurt
drew a
you?
line. I expect the gold market to go up because I drew a line
Brother,
on the
it's
candle.
okay. Bad things
Idiot.
happen in life. We all go through it.
Hold on, you
some
understand?
therapy.
Why is
It's
that the money
okay.
delta half, retard?
It's
Retard.
okay.
Why is that the money
Get
delta
some
half?
therapy.
Idiot.
Talk in the
Why is
chat,
that the money
people will
delta
calm you
half?
down.
Why is that the money delta half?
What?
What are you talking
Moron.
about?
At the
I don't know
delta, you understand? You don't understand options, right? You're too dumb, but you think the market owes you money.
When did we say the
Smartest
market owes
people on
us
the
money?
planet do
Okay,
this,
if you're being
idiot.
serious.
The smartest people on the planet
being
do
actually
probability
serious,
theory and
when
the
did we say the
statistics.
market owes
And a
us money?
bum like you thinks, oh, my mama got me a bottle of water, so Gold's gonna get my water, and I'm gonna fucking make my right, idiot?
Just
Right,
it's just jokes, Fernando. It's just
Are
jokes.
we in a
It's
YouTube
fine.
video right now? I feel like we might be on
Who
a...
This
gives
will
a
be pretty
shit,
funny.
retard? This is the luckiest day of your
Yeah,
bum life.
they are true. We should just kick this guy now. You might as well kick him.
Shut the fuck up and Google and then see the type of shit you don't understand, but you still think the market owes you money.
Yeah, Mark, you might as well kick him now.
Yeah,
because,
well,
it's not
There's a candle and a line. A bottle of water, bum. Retard.
Bro, can you not see the liquidity here? It's literally liquid water sitting
Okay,
right
so
here.
yeah, so this guy, okay, I mean, he's got right his own opinion. Obviously, it is,
Yeah.
what it is, you know, it is what it is.
But yeah.
Yeah, it's just a bit of jokes.
That, I thought we were gonna have a calm discussion. Apparently, this guy's actually his girl's
Honestly,
obviously his girl's
Bro,
obviously left
I just
him.
wanted him to explain it. So like, I was like, hey, join the Zoom if you wanted to explain your thing, but you know, it is what it is. He didn't want to explain it, and we didn't learn anything from that conversation.
Well, guys, that's getting clipped. That is that's gonna be a good video, isn't it?
Bro, it was.
Ah,
That was probably okay. I can't lie. It's not the first hater, but yeah, but it's definitely the worst one so far. It's quite funny.
Yeah, I thought he was trolling. He actually sounds pissed.
He actually does sound very mad. I wonder why.
Everyone in the chat, type your predictions. Did he blow his account? Has his girl left him? Has he lost his job? What's going on? Because that's a bit mad.
What is he so mad for, man?
Jesus.
Imagine what he looks like, what he says to Roger Banks if he joins us. If he doesn't like the whole smart money concept, imagine smart Roger concept, man. That's crazy. Thank you for everyone tuning in for that, by the way. That was quite exciting.
Yeah, that was very exciting.
Yeah.
Man.
To be honest, I wanted a house tour.
He has a small. Oh yeah, that's true, Fernando. Actually,
I wanted a house tour. I can't lie.
He has a
I
small peepee. That's the number one. You know.
I wanted to see what a $45 million house in Beverly Hills was like.
Bro.
To be honest, I didn't think it'd get you that far in Beverly Hills, but fair enough.
Jesus. Send link. I will trade for you live entry.
No, it'll be fine. Thank you.
Yeah, that's true, Nick. Bro, trade for him. You need some help right now. I can't lie.
All right, to him. All right.
Yeah.
I was like, to us. I was like, sent from TV. Bro, why is mic quality so bad too, man? Jeez. Bro, 45 million can't buy a mic. Come on now. Come on now.
Yeah, I can't lie. It's too much energy for 7, bro. Maybe we'll save it for London Open next time. You know.
New York.
Save the debates for New York session.
Yeah, New York.
Is a house in? I don't even know. I'm sure.
I didn't think it'd get you that far in Beverly Hills, but I guess it does.
Wait, Nika, who are you talking to? Us or him? I don't know.
Yeah, I'm confused.
Like
No, you missed the fun, man. You missed the fun, unfortunately.
No, bro. Well, I guess the trading view plugs still work.
Yeah.
You know, I'll show live trade how to trade. Send your chart.
Send your chart, man. We'll be more than happy to.
But look at your chart if you send it or go on Discord.
Yeah.
It should work if you send it in live.
I need to remove the link on Discord.
Yeah.
Before
he gets his mathematics boys on us. Jesus. No, just rewind the stream about 10 minutes.
Yeah, literally 10 minutes, bro. We had a Donny shouting at us for like solid 5 minutes. It was hilarious.
A man from Beverly Hills, chilling.
He pulled out the bottle of water as well. I was like, bro, that hurt. That one hurt, I can't lie. The bottle of water, that one's got to
He's a good troll if he's a troll, because that sound is so real.
Nah, he sounded pissed, I can't lie.
I don't know. They had live angry men. Woman, of course. Small PP.
So you guys, so you believe me, guys? I did 100%. What do you mean 100%? I can't lie. I'm confused. I can't lie.
100% returns or?
I'm discombobulated. That's just.
If you scroll in the chat, I don't know. It's confusing. Basically, he's saying. Apparently, if you make
No, not Nikat. Not
if
Nikat.
you make predictions on the chat, it's not Nikat, but I don't know. Basically, saying technical analysis is dumb. I'm pretty sure. He's saying there's really skilled mathematicians who went to university, etc., who put in time and effort for this. So we're just, I don't know. We're all idiots. Everyone who does technical analysis is idiots, apparently. So
yeah,
I guess that's what emotional.
He's not wrong. I guess if you're using mathematics, you can't beat mathematics, right? At the end of the day, it is what it is.
What? No, bro. Show the margins.
Bro, all you gotta do is just show him the results. That's it. Like he's saying that okay, he's making 45. He lives in a $45 million house, makes 100K a month, like or a day, whatever he said. I don't know what he said to be honest. But yeah, he didn't show any results. So it would have been better if he showed his results, and then we wouldn't have been able to say anything. But now he started shouting, then we can say all we want. I'm not really.
Nika, I believe you, but where are you sending these charts? I want to see them.
Yeah, honestly.
Have you sent it on Discord?
100% winning system. Damn. The highest I've been in a month is probably 85. No. I took one trade in a month and I got 100% win rate. So actually, I am 100% win rate. It's freezing. I can't lie. Also, when you guys say it's not funny anymore, bro. You guys never been in COD lobbies before, bro? Come on now.
Yeah.
That was a simple COD lobby interaction. That was quite.
The only reason I listened to everyone in the chat because I was like, okay, this could affect our trading, and I'd rather that not happen. So I just thought, okay, let's kick him.
Yeah.
It's time.
COD lobbies, bro. Bot lobbies.
Oh, mate, they were the days. Not even COD lobbies, our friends, bro. All we did on PlayStation was talk shit to each other. He only screamed like he's gonna say you're gonna.
Yeah, I don't know why he had to scream. Like, why do you have to be so mad for? I don't
screen.
get it. I really don't get it. Why you gotta be so mad for? There's no need. We're just chill. But you guys get a fun start to the stream, I guess. That's the good thing about that.
Jesus.
Yeah, it looks like GJ's going down towards my direction, so we'll see if that continues. Basically, we'll see if my TA continues. My technical analysis works out or not. Because at the end of the day, guys, the market does owe me money because I drew a line on the chart. Absolutely.
Of course. We're going to say that every single stream now. if he keeps watching, the market owes us money. And I'm pretty sure he said something about our reels as well. So he's probably following our Instagram.
Maybe I didn't see that.
So I'm gonna make a reel saying the
No, he was on the Zoom. He was on the Zoom, bro. He was on the Zoom call. We invited him on the Zoom call. That's why I sent the link on the chat. Because I thought he was gonna explain his side, but he just started screaming, man. Started screaming.
Oh, yeah, Nick, well, I don't know where you're sending this. I can't see any links you're sending.
Um,
We know you're not trolling, but I'm waiting for your chart.
yeah.
Yeah, first it was entertaining, but I didn't realize he sounded proper serious.
I only kicked him because he pulled out the bottle of water. To be honest, that's the only reason. That really
Really?
got to me. That got to me. I
The
was like,
Andrew
whoa,
Tate
whoa,
is,
whoa.
ah, shit.
Nah, I'm joking. I'm joking, by the way. Was he from US? Yes. Beverly Hills, he said.
Apparently, from Beverly Hills. He makes 100k a day now. Apparently.
I wouldn't doubt it if he had the bloody capital for it.
A bloody Bugatti. We should have said, what colour is your Bugatti with? Mark, I know you don't joke up, bro.
What do you mean I don't joke at the moment?
Yeah, Nu, what are you thinking on GJ? Because we've got
Bugatti.
various structure levels here. Bullish overall, higher time frame for me. I said my higher time frames, which is like 4 hour, 1 hour. We are bullish on this blue level. So we can expect a push downwards.
Too serious? Nah, I just woke up, that's why. And it's just, I'm still processing what the heck happened on the stream. Processing.
Yeah.
Calculating. I'm mathematically trying to think about what the heck just happened there. Because my technical analysis in my head of what happened is not matching up with the maths.
The technical analysis isn't working out. His brain owes him an answer. Come on, what's going on?
I'm trying, bro. I'm trying.
Yeah, that's why he got kicked pretty fast. You know.
Yeah. If it was like calm, then yeah, conversation for days, bro. That would have been, honestly, it would have been an exciting thing for the stream if we had a conversation about it. But
do you reckon we can make that clip go viral? If we caption it, hater joins Zoom call. I reckon we can make that clip go viral.
I don't know.
Hater,
I don't think he's got.
Hater joins live, but there was no face. That's the issue. There was no face. So.
Poor man doesn't have enough clout to really,
Yeah.
to really, to merit.
I think hater is enough, source. Well, let's see.
Just a bit of bants. But yeah, now we just wait for price to either go in which direction, and then obviously take the trade there. I don't want to jinx it, but to be fair, Adeel, I think either you've lost one or haven't lost all month so far.
I've literally had one loss this month so far. Yeah, it's been pretty good. Obviously, we've only started.
Yeah, we've only started December. Yeah.
Yeah.
But to be fair, from my point of view, it's impressive because December is my worst month.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there were a lot of people saying that December's going to be slower, but I haven't found anything different with my strategy so far.
For mine, it's just because it's consolidated. It's literally just consolidating. So one, I'm occurring a lot of swap, right? So it's taking a lot of my profits out because of swap. So if I get tapped out now, it will be higher than 1% than I expected it to be.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah. The second thing, market just don't move for me.
All right. Let's analyze euro. Sorry, I cut you off.
Not at all. Not at all.
Let's look at euro USD. Since I will be trading this soon, I want to figure out how it moves. Yeah, I'm not going to go on the daily, weekly. I'm just going to analyze 4 hours. 4 hours enough for me. Yeah, we didn't tap into that discount there. Alright, on the purple level, we're bullish, right?
You aren't lost, only Mario's lost. Oh, that's true. Only every time I've taken a trade, I was the Mario. So yeah, it's true.
Today's going to be Batman. So if you
GJ's gonna have a massive push up, tap me out, use me as liquidity, to fuel the push to the downside, and then you guys will be happy. I told you guys, if you want to win, put your entry at my stop loss. As of right now, for December, that's the best strategy.
Legit. Yeah, Nu, I don't know how we somehow caught a trade yesterday in that mess. We just about got away with it.
Yeah, you did. To be fair, you got perfect parts while secure, and then obviously break even, and the rest just find out what's it.
It's a good decision to take off more of the position because
100%.
It did end up respecting that area.
I thought you were gonna do 75%. To be honest, I can't lie.
Yeah. No, it just depends on the trade. I'm buying GJ. What now? Oh, nice.
Marcus WDF, bro, you could have joined if you joined the Discord. Like it wasn't the link was in Discord. Anyone on the Discord could have joined that Zoom call. By the way, for a split second, there it was on there. So
Oh yeah, I didn't see his message when he sent it.
yeah, I was, but now I'm out. Did you get W or an L? That is the question. Because we've been giving you W's all week. We got to give you one L. So surely.
But yeah, so Euro USD bullish. We've just about missed this 50% level, which for me, it just gives me another sign that there's liquidity sitting below these lows here. Lots of sellers waiting, lots of buyers buying off this trend line, so-called trend line. But yeah, if we go lower down on the 1 hour, interesting. Just trying to figure out, did this even tap into this level? No. There's two ways of looking at it. If you were prioritizing the bullish trend, you could just avoid it altogether. But like I said, there's liquidity sitting below here. We know price needs to tap into the lower part of the leg. So once price comes into this high here, taking this high here at 1.05600, I think sells are a good shout. Plus, if I'm not wrong, DXY, we're looking for that to push up. Overall, we're looking for it to push up on the 4 hour. So it lines up with being bearish on Euro USD.
In EU as well. Yo, Elite Man scalping every single pair out here, man. Yeah, we'll see what I think with Dixie at the moment.
Oh, let's see, 15
So
minute.
Here's my Dixie analysis if you, whenever you're ready.
Yeah. I'm thinking if it was my strategy on the 15 minute.
What, Euro dollar?
Yeah, Euro dollar, bit techie.
Were you planning to do Dixie and Euro dollar, yeah? Conjunction.
Eventually, yeah. Euro USD is gonna have to be a major.
Just flip it, mate. Just flip the chart and then you'll see Dixie.
Basically.
Yeah, just flip the chart and you'll see Dixie.
Basically.
I was in GU buys but I closed that. I closed loss. Oh, I see. Well, L for Elite Man. Sorry, Elite Man, we have to do it to you. L for Elite Man.
L.
L.
L for Elite Man. Everyone's time comes, Elite Man. It's okay.
Elite Man.
You were doing a bit too good.
I'm pretty sure this is the first L we've given you. So
Probably, yeah.
hold it with pride. Hold it with pride, Elite Man. Yeah, so here you go. Here's my
Yeah, go ahead.
So first of all, say hello to you guys first, and then we'll go. Okay, so Dixie, you can see that on the weekly right here, we have just broken past this major zone over here. You can see that this level was being held quite perfectly, and then after price determined this is too low of a price, we had a massive rally to the upside. You can see it's what really started the leg. So when price broke it, I didn't think the sellers from here managed to break this zone. Was gonna, just gonna lie over and just let them take the price up again. So you can see that price definitely went back into this level and then rejected it. And look at the daily time frame as well. So as for the daily time frame, we had this gap over here as well that we did fill in, but overall we did reject it in the end. And we also had this. So this gap basically I just determined it to be the daily zone over here. And you can see we tapped that perfectly. Again, for Dixie, I don't do that deep of analysis because it's just something that I use complement. I just use it as a complement on top for gold and for euro dollar. I don't actually trade it myself. It's just more of an added complement. From what I can remember, the VWAP didn't really show much. No, it didn't. So you can see it was just at the bottom of this this VWAP over here. Didn't show much. However, we did have a volume cluster, a very small volume cluster on this daily zone over here. So that kind of added on to the confluence that we could potentially sell off from here. But then again, we could have easily pushed up onto these, into this gap right here, and then not find value and then drop down. But we didn't need to do that, and we just dropped as soon as we hit that zone. As for 4 hour, I put the VWAP on the daily swing as well. We're currently bearish. This is the daily leg. All of this is the daily leg. So I decided to put the VWAP on that daily leg. You can see the market structures over here. So in order to be bullish on the daily, we have to break that market structure on the daily, and then we're bullish. Okay. As right now we're bearish on the daily, so we're gonna stick to selling, and we'll look for the sell opportunity, the one that makes sense the most. As for this one, it was slightly above the VWAP, so it didn't line up perfectly. To be fair, this is exactly why I did expect it to go kind of rally onto the gap on the right. You guys saw the volume gap on the right over here, so the volume looked like that basically, and there was a gap. I expected it to go into this gap, not find any value, reject this volume VWAP, and then start to go down. But you can see that's not exactly what happened. And what actually happened was it tapped this daily zone almost to a T, this psychological level of 105,500, and it started to trickle back down again. Whether we can get a retracement, to be honest, I'm not too sure at the moment. If we look at the 4-hour structure, we have obviously this whole leg right here is one structure. Okay, so right now, in order to become fully bearish on the 4-hour as well, we really need to break this low over here before anything. So we could end up, since we're still in bullish structure for the 4-hour time frame, we could still end up rejecting this level to the upside, and then potentially that's what causes it as soon as we break this level, if we break this high anyways. But yeah, so that's what we're looking at for now. We're just expecting it to go all the way down. Again, if it rejects this zone, I wouldn't be surprised at all. Okay, so we're still in bullish structure on the 4-hour time frame, and since we're in bullish structure on the 4-hour, we can assume we're probably going to be bullish on the 1 hour and 30 minutes. I'm not going to look at the structure on those ones as of right now, but yeah, could end up doing that. We also had this volume cluster over here. I'm sure we had a volume cluster over here, so we could go a little bit deeper and then retest this POC on the left. If we just get our tool over here, and then on the way down, potentially reject the volume profile. Sorry, not the volume profile, the VWAP on top of this POC as well for the start to rally, maybe up to this point, or maybe even break it a little bit. And yeah, basically that's my analysis for what's it called, euro dollar. I expect to go all the way down, but I wouldn't be surprised for a retracement back up, and exactly the same thing for gold right now, right? So just do that the opposite. So yes, I wouldn't be surprised if it does rally up, but I wouldn't also be surprised if we get a small retracement and then a rally. That's what I'm looking for. So right now I'm just holding, I'm just sitting in my hands. I'm not executing anything. The only trade I'm in at the moment is this GJ losses right here, the sea of red that I have on GJ. So I got 2 positions, one here and one here. As of right now, we're still safe. We still haven't broke this V up on the 4-hour time frame. We're still bearish, so on the daily time frame. So we're still safe. As I said on earlier, if we close below this level on the 4-hour time frame, we'll be bearish on the 4-hour as well, which is great. That means we can, we're even more comfortable to hold our positions. We wouldn't be surprised, obviously, if we do get a retracement to make that lower high for the continuation back down. First take profit would be 166. I just want to get out of this trade at this point. Obviously, but if we do break that 166, I still have runners to hold as it's, the clean candle concept. It's quite clean on the left. Could end up just replicating that movement all the way back down. There is a wick, there are a wick here and there, but we could still have a potential drive to the downside. So yeah, that's basically what I'm looking at.
Nice.
Hope that was informative to you all. Dump till London Open. Which one? Pump through the session. What's this? Which one? Gold?
Yeah, there's a couple of people trading gold.
Yeah, nice.
Jump next 4-hour.
I say bullish push on gold open. Ooh, how are you guys deciding this? By the way, are you guys just intuitioning it, or are you guys using analysis for it? I'm just curious. I'm not trying to say you guys are wrong or anything, but I'm just curious. Who's RDP? Who's RDP, bro? Oh, right here.
I'm not sure.
RDP retracted his message. Surely he just said good morning, right? He doesn't need to retract that.
Who knows?
Psychologically, okay. Got you. Thought you banned him for no reason, Leo. I was like, what the heck? What's wrong with you? What day is it today? Is it Thursday?
Yeah, it's Thursday.
It is. Whew.
One more week after today, boys. Then we're gonna have a little break, aren't we? For Christmas.
We are for Christmas break. Oh, I don't think we've said that yet. To be honest.
No, we did, but not properly. We didn't announce it. So today and then tomorrow is the last thingies of this week, obviously. But next week is going to be the last week of the streams.
Until January.
Yeah, until next year, January.
Yeah.
those 2-3 weeks, obviously, you know, it's Christmas. I doubt people really want to trade. You obviously do. Me and Mark
Well,
are just going to
yeah.
be back testing mainly and
Well,
preparing for New Year, and obviously
well, yeah, we'll be
celebrating
active
New
on
Year.
Discord, obviously. So
Yeah,
like, we'll
yeah,
be on Discord all the time and stuff. So, but we'll just be taking a break. Oh, obviously for Christmas, but mostly because we're gonna focus on the back testing.
yeah.
We're gonna focus on leveling up for 2023 and what we can do for our trading and also for Enigma Trading Group for 2023
That's
to
it.
make a massive splash. You know what I mean?
Yeah. We need to get those low stop losses, high target trades, and we're just going to work towards getting that. Obviously, it's going to take a lot of work, but these 3-4 hours that we usually trade in the morning, we're probably not going to be trading, and just focusing on back testing heavily. And obviously, just preparing in general what we want to do for Enigma.
Yeah,
next
if you
year.
guys aren't already in the Discord group, by the way, we have loads of plan in store for 2023. So I definitely recommend joining that. Obviously, if you guys don't want to, you got too many groups, whatever, fine. But
Yeah, some
if you're
people
bored,
probably are in loads. To be fair.
yeah, if you're in like, you know, if you're bored trading alone, one, obviously we have a community there. Everyone's very, very nice in there, except for that one guy that's still in the Discord. I forgot his name again. Albert, be careful of that guy. He might
Yeah,
start shouting at you and call you an idiot. So be careful of that guy. He might bite.
Just never say the market owes you money. Just
Yeah. Just don't say that. But
Just
but
don't
yeah,
say it.
everyone else amazing. You'll guys see Elite Man. His name's there is Kilk. I think Kylk. I'm not too sure how to say it, but
Yeah, Kilk.
the news there, amazing stuff. James is obviously there as well. Pretty sure Fernando's there too. But
Oh yeah, cool.
By the way, next year go on Crisis if like 3 months, get to know yesterday's Zoom class. Like what do you mean? What do you mean?
Do you mean recession?
It's gonna be Crisis. I mean, to be fair, if it's a recession, we're banned from talking about recession due to New saying recession's boring, so we're not allowed to talk about recession in the stream ever again.
Just
New
know
said so.
the end is coming. Just know. That's it.
New banned us from doing so.
Yeah, I think everyone sort of knows it though. To be fair,
Yeah, there's
it's
no
just
need
in
to
the
warn
back of
everyone.
everyone's head. We don't need to keep mentioning it.
Yeah, don't need to scare everyone off, right?
True. Dun-dun, dun-dun.
Oh, I guess he left. Oh, that's too bad.
Who's that? The guy on Discord.
Yeah.
But yeah, Elite Man, sure. Jump on the Zoom call tomorrow if you want.
Yeah, man. Please do. Please do.
Why not?
Again, as I said to everyone who wants to join a Zoom call, just let us know, and then obviously we'll send you the link. It's more people, more fun, honestly.
Yeah, legit.
Obviously, we want more people in the chat as well, so we can interact with people in the chat as well.
Yeah.
But oh well, we're getting more people, so it's fine. That's what I think, anyways.
That's it.
I don't
Yeah.
have a. That's fine. That's fine. You don't need a webcam.
That's calm.
That's calm. Our banter will level up.
Yeah, legit.
Elite Man's gonna roast me about missing every single trade now. On Zoom. He's always the one that
He's
asks.
just
He always
out
goes like,
out loud. He's like L.
L, you didn't take the trade.
Take
L.
that, bro. Good
You missed the trade. You didn't trade again today. Again, I only trade literally like twice a week. I only execute once or twice a week. The rest of my time is either checking the markets, and analyzing, and back testing.
Yeah.
And from now on, journaling as well. Journaling is going to be a very important part of my day, unfortunately. Journaling is not fun for me. I can't lie.
Yeah. Maybe that will change after the back testing though. How often?
Oh,
you
yeah,
take
for
the
sure.
trades.
For sure.
Literally.
Lots of
Yeah,
fun stuff.
DJ has been a little boring. I can't lie.
What do you guys journal? So from now, I'm going to journal my trades. What I could have done, what could have improved on, why it could have worked. Like, what was it? You know, why it worked to begin with, how many confluences I had, and so on and so forth. Basically, just write like a paragraph about each trade that I take and each trade that I miss. So let's say I analyze a trade and it worked out, but I didn't get entered in. So I would keep a note of that saying, okay, so why didn't I get entered in? Was there a better option for me? Was there a better entry? That way I can maximize every move that I miss. And then obviously in the long run, I'll see plenty of journal my feelings, bro. I'm always in my feels, bro. I'm always in my feels. Don't worry about it.
That literally is journaling though.
So
I took a
I'd
loss.
say,
I was
yeah,
feeling a little down. You know.
I can't lie. You got a journal psychology as well. So
You
anyway, as I
actually
said,
do. He's not
I,
Fernando. I don't know if you were joking or not, but that's literally
okay.
what we
So
do.
I don't know if you saw this new earlier because you missed it. So I was looking at this before the guy rudely interrupted. So
Mhm.
I'm doing this. So I'm gonna check out every single win rate of each variable that I have over here. So this is count. You could count this as back testing slash journaling as well. And that way I have a data, right, of what is the percentage of it working out. Let's say this is a percentage rate, right? So what's the percentage of a Bitcoin long that it rejected the major resistance that I'm going bullish, and it retraced down on the daily 61.8, and the daily structure is bearish with the VWAP as support. What's basically the percentage of this trade working out? Because I'll know each individual one, right? So
Yeah.
for example, like let me just delete all this because I don't want to get confused. But for example, I'll know that all my gold trades have a 90% chance of working out. Okay, I don't know that, it's a joke. Okay, it's a bit of exaggeration, and I know that the shorts I take have a 60% chance of working out. But when I do this rejection support, it increases by 70 and so on and so forth. So this obviously I'm going to journal as well. But this is all, well, it's really quantitative data, but I want qualitative data, but I also want quantitative data as well with what I could have done better in terms of words and in terms of I'm going to write about it as well. Basically my experience in the market, that's what I'm journaling. And as well, every single trade that I've taken and what the percentage of them working out as well.
Mm.
There
This
you
is
go.
interesting, guys. Look at this depth of market IC market is showing me. Remember last time I checked it, there were no actual numbers, but
Oh, whoa.
this is
That's sick.
basically the orders. Like me and Mark were talking about this last time. You can literally see, looking at the actual volume of orders coming in, the literal numbers, is technically, if you boil it down, the best way to trade, because you're looking at the actual facts.
No, no, so okay, so that one
This
isn't
is interesting.
that one isn't actual market executions. That one is orders. Okay, so it could have been a sell limit
Right.
down here, buy limit down here. So it's not fully activated yet.
Yeah, but it's still a lot more helpful than having nothing. Right?
It is. So
I
it's
wonder.
there's a scale to it, right? So footprint and delta charts and so on and so forth. That is not lagging
Yeah.
and it's not ahead. Okay, so that one's just on time. It's literally real time data. Where this one is ahead data.
So
But the problem with ahead data is that it could be a bit misleading. Sometimes they can take their order off and kind of spoof people and basically go like, "Oh, I'm gonna execute here," and then just
Yeah.
take it off
Oh,
just
have you
before
read
they get
that?
executed.
Really? That's
Yeah,
mad.
yeah,
I never
they
heard of
do
that.
that just to obviously screw with
Some
your
people saying
trading.
it.
They will put 100 lots sell, and then everyone will sell 100 lots, and then take off their sells, and then they'll buy against them. That also
This
happens
is
in this as well.
this is crazy. I'll show you guys right now. It's crazy. So if we line this up with a chart, right? This is the 1 minute chart in GG I'm on right now. This range is from 8.5 to 8.2, basically a 4 pip range. So essentially this candle, right? Maybe it's because I'm on the 15-minute time frame, but this is the 1 minute candle. It's basically showing the range for that. It's saying these are the orders in. I'm guessing pink means sell, blue means buy orders. They could be limits, they could be
Yeah.
stops, they could be actual orders. That's crazy. But like Mark said, it could be spoofs, but at the same time,
Yeah.
check this out. Oh, 45 lot buy, 30 lot buy, 30 lot buy. A lot of this is obviously retail, because I don't think hedge funds are really using.
In IC markets, no, exactly.
Yeah. At the same time, you could say that if someone's using an 80 lot, they've probably got a decent amount of money, and hence they probably
No, only Roger Banks would do. I mean, Roger Banks would do that.
they're probably a decent. I don't know.
That's a good shout. That's a good shout having to find out if they're actually real or not. Go on to
check it.
go
See
on the Dominion markets and literally check the depth of market to see if once he executes, does he actually execute his 100 lot sells on where he needs it to be.
or bare 100 lot sales coming in. This is crazy.
I was planning to do footprint and delta charts, however, I decided to focus on the other part, technical
Yeah,
analysis first,
same.
before moving on to the next one. I need to specialize and get really, as much as I think I'm really good at trading, there's also way more places to improve on my trading itself.
That's it, yeah.
And then I'll add on the depth of market, then I add on the thing. Potentially, I'm just going to add on a delta, what's it called? Cumulative delta, just so I can see whether the momentum is dying or momentum is still going up. That way I can take my reversal trades a bit more effectively and a bit more accurately. Because you guys know, if you guys know how I trade, I always trade against some massive momentums. That's probably why I lose in December, to be honest. Looking back at it now.
Don't know.
You guys can see everyone. Yes, you can see everyone there. Live chat.
Yeah, since we're waiting on GJ.
Yeah. Yeah, Mark. Like we know, you trade mostly. You look how we trade. Yes, I do. I just look and don't actually execute. Exactly.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying that in the Discord yesterday. Trolling, bro.
Yeah, Lee man does not like the way I trade at all, man. He wants me to execute every single day.
Someone sent a trade like, Mark, you're just gonna look again?
Yeah. I was
Mark,
like, yes.
you're just gonna watch and wait while we
As
win?
usual, Mark, you're just gonna look at it while we win? Yes, I will be. How did that USD CAD trade go then, huh?
What, did it lose or?
I'm not too sure. I didn't check. Let me check now. I don't want to rinse it because James is actually the one who said to sell, but I think it did lose. I'm pretty sure. I'm not too sure though. I know I'm getting roasted.
Getting roasted for not taking a signal.
Bro.
What?
As I said though, I know Elite Man's joking, but as I said to everyone though, I just, me and Adeel wanted to make the group, not because we want to copy signals, but we want to learn from other people. So if you guys put a signal through, I'm not going to take it, but I'm going to keep note of why you guys took it though.
Yeah.
Like for example, that indicator that James put, made a note of that because that looks quite interesting. In terms of a fundamental aspect of trading, there's a very interesting video.
Yeah.
If you guys haven't watched it, definitely recommend it. You might, learn a thing or two. That's basic fundamental analysis, really. We promise next year he's gonna try some scalps too. Not scalps, but day trades. I'm not trying scalps. I'm doing day trades. So it wasn't really
like day trades, my trades, or is it even higher than that?
The same as yours.
I think he means the YouTube.
Yeah,
video,
the YouTube video. Yeah, the YouTube video. Yeah. That fundamental slash basically, he was talking about interest in buying and selling in something. It was very soft. His voice was very soft, so I couldn't really fully hear everything, but I tried my best.
To be honest, if he didn't say that, I wouldn't have thought anything of it. But before he kept saying his voice, something about his voice. But...
Nah, it's because he's quiet. He's quiet. I don't know why. Maybe because I was using my laptop or something, but I don't know. Yeah. Okay, day trade, but still better.
Got to rate him for making the video, innit? So he didn't have to.
So I will obviously day trade, but at the same time I'll have a weekly trade. So what I'm gonna try and do is obviously try to pass FTMO, try and pass the FTMO fully January. Hopefully get my 400k funding by then. So I just need 200k left, and then I'll be done with the whole FTMO thing. And then from then move on to our next funding challenge, and then that's what I'll use for day trading. And then yeah. As of right now,
excited for next year, man. It's gonna be sick.
For right now, I'm working on the strategy of what I want to do as day trading. I'm taking into account new strategy. I'm taking into account some smart money concepts. Some, not all of it. Only parts that I actually agree with. Yeah, we'll see. Stay tuned. My you haven't seen my final form yet, as I would like to say.
Mark's gonna get a Super Saiyan 2, bro. That's his new onesie.
Yeah, my Super Saiyan 2 Mario onesie, bro.
I know. What's the thingy? What's the gift someone sent yesterday?
It was a Mario Super Saiyan. It was great.
Is that what it was?
Super Saiyan. And the Godzilla you said that was Bowser, bro. You fake fan.
No, I know, but I was just saying Godzilla, bro. It looked like Godzilla.
Yeah. All right. I was looking at Forbes 30 under 30. And to be honest, I was going to be like, I don't want to get into that. But I'm already 21, and I'm like, in 9 years, I have to get in the Forbes under 30. I don't know if I want to.
You could, but I feel like I don't really care about Forbes 30 under 30.
That is true, but it'll be pretty good.
Does anyone? I mean, it's just a little flex. It'll be good.
Yeah, literally, it's just a little
flex. I feel like it's going to happen without us trying, though. You know?
And plus, there's no rush. There's no rush at all. I'm here to have fun. I'm here to enjoy. I'm here to, to grow something. And, yeah. My height, hopefully. Grow my height. It's not working out.
What was
all jokes. If I'm gonna be a billionaire, bro, Elite Man, you can have 50% of it. Honestly, I don't. No one needs that much money.
Yeah, true.
Although don't quote that. Don't quote that. If I ever become a billionaire, I'm deleting this live stream for sure. You have no proof. By the way, you guys asked about the opening. By the way, you guys asked about the opening being bullish or bearish. What do you mean? Sorry.
Tested Rogers strat. By the way, you guys asked about the opening.
If it's slowly down.
Well, yeah, I used to trade Rogers
Oh,
strat.
right.
I used to have
Yeah.
like
Okay.
basically a 78% win rate with that. But then I discovered smart money, and I've
Oh, you
never
think so?
really wanted to do breakouts.
So Marcus, you're saying that you can tell that the London will open to the upside because it's slowly going down. So it's just drifting to the downside. So you think they're gonna be okay? That's why you gave that reason. Fair enough. Fair. That's a great way of looking at it. To be honest, I haven't back tested that. So again, I'm not gonna comment saying yes or no, but it's a definitely interesting idea. If it works out now, beautiful stuff. Yeah. No, fair enough. Fair enough. That's a great way of doing it.
Yeah.
It's more if it works and it's a mechanical thing, then that's you know. And shorts are not eating in this level. No, they are not eating. That's too bad because I'm short as well. Guess I will not be eating today, Marcus. Thanks to you and your rules. I could have gone away with it if it weren't for you meddling, Marcus. Nah, jokes. All jokes. In that
What was
case,
it? By the way, you guys asked about the opening being bullish or bearish.
so I asked like, oh, how come you guys are saying it's gonna be bullish or bearish? How can you guys tell and what do you guys use? Is it
Right.
psychology? Is
Right.
it like intuition? Whatever. And then obviously Marcus replied and said it's because we've had a trickle to the downside. It's not like a big push to the downside. So there's a good chance we do reverse back up during London Open, which is fair enough. Fair enough.
So was his idea, okay, if we're on a level, right?
I think so, yeah.
He said if we're on a key level and this candle, for example, opens bearish, we're probably going to reject it and flip bullish. Is that his idea?
I think so, but if you look at gold, though, I think he's talking about gold mostly, not GJ.
Yes,
Although it could happen on GJ as well if it's a mechanical thing, but
Let's see, 1 minute.
yeah.
So 1785 is a good level for rebound. Oh, let me delete this. Okay, 1785. I see that, yeah. So this
Fair
rough
enough.
area here. I would
Yeah.
see the whole zone, but... And then what's he saying? We have to see the first few candles. Yeah, I guess if you just shoot up a time frame. Okay, yeah.
That's what I forgot.
It's
Sorry, carry
open
on.
bearish or it's open bearish, so you're going to look for buys. So expect a big push up in momentum for London Open. Okay, interesting. See, now you could say it's flipping up at London Open. Is that part of your strategy? You can tell people are currently buying the dip. Yeah, for sure.
Buy the dip.
Buy the dip, bro.
You Elite Man reminded me. Another thing that I forgot that I wanted to backtest was what actually makes a good support or resistance level. Like how many optimal touches are on the support or resistance level. What time frame is it? For me, obviously, right now as it stands, I see it as a daily is the best support or resistance level. I don't look at anything between that. But obviously that's because of the type of trader I am. But yeah, I want to see. I don't know what other variables I need to find out, but we'll find out. Show you guys the findings. Thank you for that. I honestly would buy if it closes. I mean, if Elite Man's buying, then 100 lot buys, am I right?
Yeah.
Unless 1785 is broken, so put a stop loss below there. So I'm going to wait for a
I think it's
re-entry.
like below that level marked out, so quick little support trade, to be fair, really.
I want gold to push back down into support, and then I'll buy. Right now, my target for gold is 1805, and my target is absolute. It always happens. It always works out. It's just the entry. No, I do. I just wanted to go back down to potentially 1773 before pushing back up. As you guys said, there is a major support at 1781 or 1785 between those two levels. And obviously, for the people that are buying up there, if it breaks, you guys get topped up for your stop loss gets tapped. Then obviously your liquidity will be added onto the pool, and then we could potentially start looking for another trade up there. As you said, re-entry. My entry would be 1773, which I would guess is either your re-entry or your second re-entry. I'm not too sure how you trade. But I can see people entering at 70, 73 as well. Or is it just me? Just me, probably. I've only found one person that trades like me, to be fair. So, yeah. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, to be honest. No one else trades like me, so it might be complete BS. And who is?
Because it was mixed and matched, wasn't it?
No, not sad, not sad. No. It was a guy that he followed me on Instagram. I saw his story. It was like, oh my gosh, we have practically the same strategy. That's crazy. And then we called. 1 second.
Blow your nose. Bullish once 1785 is broken.
How the hell do you know what I was doing, Adeel? My mic.
We know
and my
your ways, bro. We know your ways.
so yeah.
1785, 45 been some big moves.
His name is Will. He lives in London. And somehow we got in touch.
Right, I got you mean Marcus. But yeah, carry on.
Me.
Yeah, you was talking about this guy.
Yeah, and supposedly he trades in a private institution. So if he trades like that and he trades in a private institution, well, that means I'm in the right track. So happy days, right? Gave me a bit of confidence boost there. Obviously, could be cap, could be not. Don't matter. Doesn't change my trading whatsoever. GJ's going down.
It's yelling timber. 4 minutes to London.
Let's go,
Open.
GJ. Let's drop. Let's drop.
Right.
Let's go.
We better see a bare 100 lot sales on this depth of market. Let's see.
There's a bottle of water down at 166,700.
Yeah.
Take it.
That's funny, you know, when I saw that. I was like, wait, does he know that inside joke? Because Mark basically always said, when we say liquidity, he said, oh, we got a bottle of water down below here.
Yeah, they got a bottle of water.
I swear we've never said that on stream. So
not recently, no, not recently. We haven't, no. So
guy,
Adeel can trade finally. Adeel can. Oh, whoa.
Oh, soon Adeel can trade finally. Yeah,
I think he'll drop to
finally,
1782.
I've been waiting only 2 hours. You know?
Now he's saying that you weren't able to trade before because you're crap at trading. That's what he's saying.
Of course.
That's what I heard. That's what I heard, bro.
Course.
I don't know about you, but that's what I heard.
Cool. I'm definitely not offended. You know.
That's what I heard, anyways.
Yep, 1782 seems like good buys. London will be bullish overall.
Elite man did not confirm nor deny. Smart guy.
Smart, very smart.
That widget was about to get taken off.
What colour's your trading chat, Elite man? What colour's your trading chat?
He's got blue.
It's blue. It's blue.
He's a blue. So you better get a Bugatti when in the future, or else.
Yeah. I might get it just to tick it off, you know. Eventually.
Facts, Marky Mark. Whoa. What do you mean facts? What's facts?
Yo, gold analysis. I don't know. Well, I was on GJ already, so I'm clean. Yeah. Did you catch anything on GJ? Was it the L, or was it the W?
You guys are welcome. Trade safely. What's this? Did gold push up? What we welcome for? Thank you, anyways. I appreciate you.
Is analysis on gold.
All right. Thank you. Appreciate you. Well, I was on GJ already, so I'm clean.
Nice. How did you catch a trade here and
Brother,
this is Elite Man's strategy, bro. Look at this mess. Someone's caught a W out of this mess.
Entering shorts here with tight stop loss for gold. Okay. Ooh, let's go then.
Okay, so based on that breakout, basically, he was just saying shorts here. Targeting these lows here, I'm guessing. Or is it further down?
I want to make Elite Man's like trading style into a bot to see what it's like. If he can just completely what's it called? Maximize every single drop and every single push. I want to see what happens. Elite Man, can you send us your chart? I don't think you've ever sent us a chart before. Can you send us your chart real quick? I obviously would love to see what it looks like. Either send a screenshot on Discord or send it on here. I just want to see what it's like. Like, how many lines do you have on there for the breakouts? I wonder if it looks like Adeel's back in the day. Come on, please. Do it.
Shall I just give everyone an example again? My chart, guys. This is what my chart used to look like. I'm going to show you. Literally, I'm not even joking. This is what it used to look like.
You do it a bit accurately, though, I'd say, but yeah.
No. This is literally, there was no accuracy. There was accuracy. I used 4-hour levels, but then I literally mark out every single 4-hour level.
and then he would also go down to the hour, and then also look at
Yeah,
the
no.
hours.
When I say this was my chart, I'm not joking. But funnily enough, this is what passed me my FTMO. Back in the day, it's like this actually passed me FTMO.
That's what's crazy
Can
as
you
well.
believe I made money with these lines? Can you believe it?
I mean, the money owed you, the market owed you money because you're
True.
lying. So
That's
you know,
true.
the market owed you money. It depends.
Yeah.
The more lines you put, the more money the market owes
Yeah.
you. Okay, that's enough for me.
It's weird, isn't it? It doesn't matter what strategy you have. If you can somehow test it, make it work for you, it's mad. It's crazy.
See, I don't know why he changed his strategy. To be honest, like it was making him bank at that point.
I don't know. You know when you discover smart money, it's like you found
The Holy Grail.
It's
It
like you
isn't,
found the
though.
Holy Grail, and you're like,
It's
oh,
not though.
my life will never be the same.
Smart money is not Holy Grail. It's
Nah,
another. It's just
I'm
another
not saying that.
strategy.
I'm
isn't
saying
it?
in terms of the risk to reward, it sort of
Yeah, I
opens your
get that. I
mind.
get that. Yeah, it's just like another. It's just another strategy at the end of the day. That's what smart money is.
Yeah.
It's like a
I don't
view
know,
app.
it's
A
like-
view app.
yeah.
It looks like the Holy Grail at the start because it keeps getting tapped, and then you just realize, oh wait,
The
this
thing
isn't
is,
right.
though, the thing is, it's more so. It's not the actual smart money side, SMC. It's the fact that when you finally start trading SMC, you figure out how the markets actually move when it comes to
Yeah.
liquidity, at least. But
Yeah.
breakout traders, they don't. Yeah, you can make money with it, but you don't actually know what's going on.
You don't know why it's
yeah,
breaking out
so for
properly,
me, it's
yeah.
like you're doing this for a living. You're gonna do it for your whole life, and you don't actually know what you're doing.
Exactly.
Imagine
like,
saying something. How do you make money? By the way, on the charts, what do you actually do? I draw these lines and I wait for price to push above them,
like
and
a
then I make
psychological
money.
level.
It's like, bro, I get you can make money with it, but I don't know. For me, I just
Psychological
like to know
level,
what I'm
it's
doing.
fine.
That's what it is.
Yeah. That make no, 100% get you. That's. I mean, I like to think I get the market to some extent, so I
Yeah.
understand that. When I was trading, obviously back then, I didn't, and it was a bit dead. I was just pressing a button without knowing exactly why I was pressing a button.
That's
So
it,
one,
yeah.
I wasn't confident to hold my trade, which is really bad for a swing trader like myself. And two, sometimes I wouldn't even press, buy or sell because I'd be too scared and too unsure of what's actually going to happen.
Mm.
So it's fine.
Smart money is just basic trading. In what way, though? Is that
It is. It literally is just at the end of the day.
if you
I don't
use
know.
pure smart money, then yeah, it's what order block, bounce, structure. But
At the end of the day, because the smart money is so everywhere, it's basically part of liquidity. I mean, we're all part of the liquidity pool, right? If you execute a trade, you're part of liquidity, just not the one that we're talking about. I mean, a specific part of liquidity where it's taken and then the move happens. Because if there's a lot of you, the algorithm will target you eventually, so it just won't work.
yeah, because all it sees is orders, right? It doesn't care about strategy. So if they just realize, I mean, they don't even have to realize. They'll eventually notice more orders coming in. Oh,
Yeah,
it's because of an order block, but the algorithm itself will just figure that out. No one sat there thinking, oh, smart money's getting popular. We need to start taking out these order blocks. They just see the orders. They can.
Yeah, no,
literally
it's
see
not.
it.
I know that, but that's because if there's a lot of
Yeah.
people entering at that order block, then they will see
Yeah.
that a lot of volume and they will
No, I was
take that
agreeing
out.
with you. I was agreeing with you.
Yeah, I know, exactly. It's not because it's an order block, right? As you said, it's not.
That's
just
what
an
I'm
order
saying.
block.
Yeah.
Yeah. You still on phase 2? What do you mean phase 2? I'm in the phase. I'm in phase what?
Mm.
Phase what?
Yeah, sniping the charts. We should go to that one time, yeah.
Phase up.
Phase Enigma, bro. Phase Enigma, boys.
What do you mean phase 2 though? No, like seriously. I sent on Discord. Oh, hello.
Oh, nice. I'll load it up.
Woo!
GJ's fucking boring, I can't lie.
What?
Man. GJ's boring.
Oh, I thought you meant Elite Man's chart. I was like, nothing, it's anything but, mate.
I ain't even opened it. 3-4 will be last chance to TP. Okay, shall I mark out your gold trade, Marcus? Shall we all witness this?
RSI, use the RSI. Yeah, go for it. What do you mean? Mark out my gold trade. I don't have a gold trade at the moment.
No. Marcus.
Hold up, this guy seems
Interesting. London Open with no top wick.
Elite Man. You're not seeing its
Man.
reverse head and shoulders right now, Elite Man. What is going on? What pair is this? I'm scared now. What pair is this? GBPUSD's got a reverse head and shoulders. All right, don't sell GBPUSD. Do you see his chart, by the way? Are you seeing his chart?
Oh yeah, I'm about to load it up.
It's beautiful.
100%. I know it was just, what's
Oh,
it
I
been,
see.
mate? It didn't
That was
break
back in
it.
the day. That wasn't back in the day when I would hesitate to enter. I don't anymore. That was me when I didn't understand or I didn't think I understood trading. 3-4, last chance to TP, then it will pump like mad. Once it starts, just join.
Yeah. Yeah,
Nice.
Marcus, if London Open opens with no top wick like this, I always just wait a little. I did it the other day, actually. I think literally yesterday, sorry. The candle opened with no top wick, and I was looking to sell. So I thought, okay, let's just wait for it to make one first. But, you know, you have your own way of trading.
That's a very interesting way to trade this, Elite, man. You don't look at TradingView at all. You look at MetaTrader, that's it. I guess he does have he's got Dixie at TradingView.
It didn't break yet. Okay, yeah, side cash. Yeah, there's two ways of doing it, isn't it? Momentum or just wait for a close. I think Mark usually waits for a close. I'm momentum too. Depending. Broke with pesky buyers. Yeah, I'll wait for a close. Let's see.
Hey, did GJ reverse back up again?
Damn, Elite, man. I didn't even click on it yet. I can already see.
Like, kid. Yeah, nah. Look at that. GJ. I mean, we have 2 hours for it to finish back down below to 166.
Oh, who's this beautiful man here? Damn.
Which one? The one.
The one on the
Oh,
bottom.
the one on top. The one on top.
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy. You
Jesus,
know,
bro.
that's crazy. You're right.
Send,
You're right.
Send me the link of this YouTube channel, Elite, man. I want to see this guy, man. But yeah, your chart looks mad, bro. For some reason, I can't open it. As in,
Go on open
Let me just
original and
zoom
then
in.
like just zoom in. Yeah.
let me just do this. Should work. No.
You have 2 different stop losses. No way you're catching less than 5 pips. That looks like more than 5 pips for TP1, Elite, man. What's going on here? You lying to us? You've been catching 200 pips all this time? What's your entry would be?
My bad, guys. Fucked up here.
Is that indicator as well? Indicator. He's got trend. He's got oscillators, volumes. Bill Williams. Who's Bill Williams? Who that? Who that? And you got MACD as well. MACD's not a bad indicator, to be honest. It's, I'm indifferent with MACD. I think it's one of those. Like, I guess it does work. It's only really useful for like momentum though, to see if either momentum's building or momentum shifting. But I don't use MACD.
Oh, there we go. Can I move this around? Yeah, there we go.
Not too late to go on sales.
Jeez. Elite, man, your chart is looking mad.
I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting for gold to really go back down to previous support. Either 70.72 would be preferable. I really want it to go down to 70.72, and then I'll start entering. But overall, I think your bias is absolutely correct. It will go up to 18.05. I think.
What's this dark point? Is that the name of your strategy?
Dark point.
That's
What do you mean dark?
That's a pretty
Dark
sick
point?
name, you know, dark point. Hey, I made money with the dark point. If that's your win rate, that's actually pretty good, man. 76%.
How long you been trading gold for? Let's say 4 years. 4 years trading gold. 4 years. 3. Let's go with 3 years, just to be safe.
Okay, is this just or is it just an indicator to show you your win rate? Or have you just wrote that on yourself? So we got MACD, we got a sort of, okay, he's following the trend to liquidity. Is this line, or is that your trade? Yeah, I'm not sure. I think that's your trade.
Where's the dark point though? That looks like the dark point to me. That dark
Yeah, it
blue
does.
thing. That's dark point.
We've got some dark orbs here too. Can you see the orbs? Mad. We
Took
got
me 10
resistance
years.
lines, support lines. I can see all that. That's pretty.
You
good.
have 10 years of experience, Marcus. Yo. Commodities traders. Lovely stuff, man. What's up with wheat? What's going on with wheat? That is commodity, I think. You got that? I made a joke about wheat, but yeah.
Mate, what did you say?
I was like, when what's it called? Pattern traders, they think they're trading GPUSD, but they end up actually trading wheat for some reason. I don't know. I thought it was funny at the time. The joke was funny. Sad cash, Marcus Sexy, thank you very much. But yeah, thank you very much. Appreciate that. I try.
The
you
dark
know.
point. It took me.
I tried to look good for you guys. I tried to go on onesies for you guys. You know, some sexy Mario costume, I guess. I don't know.
Super Saiyan. Nah, you have to get the Super Saiyan. Before
I will.
you
I'm
say
gonna.
it.
That's gonna be a uniform. I'm telling you, it's gonna be a uniform for
me-
Enigma training group.
Enigma birthday. That's the uniform. It took me
I think
10
we
years.
should have like, if we ever do have like a whole like, what's it called, an office, right? We should have one dress down Friday or something where you can dress as a
Swear,
onesie.
yeah.
You don't have to always be formal. I don't know, something like that. Unless you have a meeting to do, then you don't want to do the meeting in a Mario costume, I guess,
Yeah.
or a Mario onesie.
Tech, yeah.
Costume sounds weird. I meant onesie. Okay.
To be fair, after this close, Fernando, I'm thinking that too because technically we did create equal lows here. London Open's finished. Started. It's showing its intentions for the day. The only thing that bugs me is we've got this order block sitting here below liquidity 2. That was my original area, so how do I? There we go. Interesting stuff. What about on the lower time frames? Was there anything sitting below? Oh, there was. We just tapped into this here. Was it perfectly below? That's interesting.
We're so close to 150 subscribers. Let's go. Next up, 1,000, 10,000 actually. Next up, 10k boys. Such a big jump.
We're close to what? What did you say?
150.
Yeah, we are. It's weird after like it just keeps slowly compounding without you realizing.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? Like
Oh, I track it every day. Yeah.
No, I do track it. But 200. No,
yeah,
I actually do. I watch it.
I get what you mean.
200, we were watching it every single day. Then we just stopped. Like, we just let it grow while we post videos and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And then you grow a lot faster. It's crazy.
Yeah. I was rinsing you as well for like,
For what?
not putting effort on your shorts, and then I put a short out with no effort whatsoever, and it gets like more
it's
views.
funny because I actually do. It depends on the short, right? But the ones you don't put effort in tend to blow. It's so
They really
weird.
do. They really do.
Like guys,
Elite Man did say like make it simple. It's easier, and I'm like,
that's
okay.
literally it. The
I'll try,
ones we spend 1 minute, 5 minutes on get more views than the ones we spend an hour making. It's so.
Honestly,
It's like, what's going on?
some of my videos take because I'm not very fast at editing, and some of them require a lot more editing than I'm really good for.
Yeah.
So they take longer than expected. But some I literally just use my camera and use a sound, and it somehow blows up more than the other ones.
Yeah.
Still, zero views on TikTok though. I was like, how did you get 0 views on TikTok? How
Is it
crap
still
do
on
you
0?
have? Yeah.
Jesus.
How bad you have to be?
I even clicked on it myself. I guess it didn't count it. You know.
For the end of the year, maybe next year. For the end of the year, next year, maybe.
What? How much?
10k, but I don't know. I think we might surpass that. To be honest, we'll see. Hopefully, if we're live streaming every single day, right, and then we're also going to be live streaming during New York session as well, I can imagine it's gonna start to pile up at some point.
Yeah.
And then we get you guys more friends on Discord, you know.
That's it.
Hopefully not many toxic. I understand. The more you grow, the more you're gonna counter across toxic people on Discord and so on and so forth. But we'll try our best to kick them as quickly as possible.
That's it. I mean, yeah. I prefer setting targets with like how many people are actually watching.
Yeah.
Compared to subscribers, because it's like, okay, what if you have 100k subscribers but only 500 people are watching? Or you know, have you seen those guys with loads of subs but no one really watches their videos?
Yeah, because they fell off, mate.
They fell off. Yeah. So I think live stream viewers is more for us.
Gold sells looks juicy. It is going down right now, bro. You are correct.
Bro, I'm liking GJ.
As I said, I do expect to go down to 1773 maybe first before going back up to 1805. At that point, I'll be more than happy to enter gold buys, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, it did rally against me. Although, what's the
apparently
maybe a 61.8 retracement from the leg, so it's not too far.
I like this 4 hour flipping upwards.
I don't. I'm on sales.
Of course not, but you know. We took equals. Yeah, I'm liking this. I don't know how big my stop loss is gonna be. This candle wasn't enough for me, to be honest. It wasn't really a rejection.
I think Marcus is more of a what's it called?
I'm not in yet, guys. I'm just marking this out.
A day trader or like a scalper. It seems like just like Elite Man. You and Marcus get along, you know. Elite Man. Seems like you're both scalpers. That is a rejection.
For me, it's not. It's a grab of the liquidity, but let's see.
Stop telling GJ to go up, mate. I'm literally like, how many pips away from...
The whole chat is against you right now.
Well, you know what? I thrive under pressure like this. Watch this, guys. Guys are gonna buy against me? All right, fair enough. Fair enough.
It's all
Time to
good.
go.
It's all good in the hood.
Also, I just
But
realized Adonis isn't here today. I think he was here today, but he just left. So that means he did turn up today, so he hasn't broken his promise quite yet. That he will turn up
yeah.
every single day.
Did you say you did join?
He did join, but he just left. I think it's because of the toxic person earlier, but either way.
Maybe, yeah. Risk reward is terrible though, I can't lie. I mean, it's something, it's still 1-to-1, but to this order block sitting here, which I'm wary of, it's not even a 1-to-1 right now. So if this flips downwards properly, if it makes a large bottom wick, I'll enter.
No top wick on gold as well. I don't know what that would mean for
If
gold,
this
but
makes a bottom wick and then flips upwards, a proper bottom wick, I'll enter. Right now it's looking a bit shush, I can't lie.
gold gone
Risk
drop.
reward isn't great for me, I can't lie. Fair play to you, Fernando, though, for entering 166 900.
Oh, did he get the perfect entry?
Not perfect, but like he got
Very, very close to it. Yeah, very
yeah,
close.
a very
to
good
perfect, to be
entry.
fair.
Considering that, you know, the only confirmation was really the smart one you want. I think it was once it rejected, started breaking this high here. Could have been good.
I think Fernando's trade smart money, but
Alright, let's see
like
this.
that.
It's going to be a quick little scalp. Not quick scalp, but stop loss will be small. What about this
Are you
one
closing
here?
majority at that 1-to-1 or all of it?
Probably 1-to-1, but alright, yeah. I'm going to use this 5-minute low here. Stop loss will be half a pip below.
Look
Yeah,
at
guys, I'm going to
that.
enter once this high gets broken here now. Stop loss is 166828. I say buy stop, it's actually manual entry, but buy stop just makes it more clearer.
83 key level for
I'm
reverse.
technically lying, but already, Marcus, Jesus. Oh, do you mean on gold?
Yeah.
I was gonna say, bro, man's out.
Bro,
of
my
juice
guy
already.
is scalping the heck out of gold right now, man.
Yeah.
I don't know what time frame he's on. It looks like his seconds chart or something. Fair enough. Well played to him. I'm just vibing, just chilling. Have my hands. I'm sitting on my hands at the moment. Oh, I got my oil tracking wrong for the first time in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Okay, that's not bad. Not a bad streak for the first time on oil tracking. Let's see what happens on oil now.
Yeah, this could be a good trade. We've obviously got momentum on that first 15-minute candle. Stop loss is below the order block. That price could retrace to.
Usually, Mark. What do you mean usually? I don't.
4 hour is 4 hour. If we begin to push above this level, we're going to be close to, you know, the 4 hour candle flipping, and we've still got basically 2 hours of the 4 hour left. So if the first half of the 4 hour candle has, you know, essentially created a bottom where it can flip to the center, there's a high chance of the next 2 hours flipping upwards. Should be good.
Have you know my oil tracking is very. Oh right, just chill. I was gonna say I thought you were rinsing my oil tracking. I was like, excuse me, my oil tracking is very accurate. Actually, I have you know. Yeah, just chill. I enter when I need to enter. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah,
I enter when I enter.
final TP would probably be these highs here. Structure wise, it makes sense for this high to get taken.
Yeah, you definitely took my stop loss thing, you dickhead.
It has to be done, bro. Has to be done.
Well, this is gonna be your first loss, unfortunately. Sorry to tell you,
Reckon?
bro. Yep, absolutely.
Oh,
no one goes. No one goes against.
Mark's against me. No.
No one goes against me and wins.
That's
Okay.
All I need is new to be on my side.
We're
but
both gonna
I'll do
lose.
the
That's the
same.
issue. So well,
Do you
you'll go
reckon?
up. It'll go up, tap you out, and it'll go in your direction, tap me out
Let's
as well.
see.
We'll both lose in this situation. We'll look stupid in front of our friends, but it's fine.
Actually, guys, at this point, it's made a decent bottom wick, so I might just.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh.
I think if I put my stop loss below here,
Mark, don't protest.
you know.
Hey,
I'm gonna put
hey.
my stop loss below the whatever low it creates here.
I'll be here
So at
to
that
win.
point, if it's flipped upwards and there's only 10 minutes left of the candle, you know, I wouldn't want it to even come down anyway. So this is a lie. The SL is no longer here. I keep saying it's a lie, like I'm sat here. I don't know why I
Yeah,
keep
but
saying-
yours is like longer, not shorter term. Like, you know, your strat is compatible with mine to some extent. Adil's currently is not. That's what I'm protesting.
with your strategy.
Yeah, not
Yeah.
no,
Of course.
because he is literally going for my stop loss. His TP is literally my stop loss.
It's a
So
part of life. It's okay.
for the first time in forever,
That is
I
true.
will be liquidity, and Adil will absolutely beat me.
Let's see. I've been doing good, so
You have been, and to be fair play to you.
the wins are in my favor today. Let's see.
They really are, aren't they? They really have been this month. Oh well, happens. You
Is
get people, people get their days. I'll be back. I'll be
Is
2023.
this gonna
I'll
be a
back.
clip, bro? Like the wins have been in my favor. Fast forward. Fast forward. He's lost.
That's why Adil's a day trader. Yeah, that is true. He's a day trader because he grabs my liquidity all the time.
Legit.
Keep moving that stop loss, bro. Keep moving that stop loss. It's alright.
I don't know why I keep doing it. I might as well just wait for.
Yeah.
Yeah. So obviously, guys, anyone watching now, buy stops above this high. We've got the momentum. Stop loss is gonna be 1 pip below here.
You keep moving that stop loss, bro. It'll keep going down. Don't worry.
Yeah, it's annoying, isn't it? It's like, come on, bro.
Reversing
What you
soon.
doing? Yeah, risk reward would be good for this high. 1 to 3. I've got a feeling, yeah, the momentum is there for sure.
You actually want my actual TP? It's at one.
What is your stop loss? The first one.
My stop loss is 167.5 to 42.
Oh, we got time, bro. You got,
That's fine.
you
That's
got
fine.
20 pips of leeway.
I got 20% leeway. We'll see. Ever
Yeah.
heard so much salt in your life? Nah, never. This is the most salt.
Yeah.
I'll see.
Yeah, like a pip above here.
Don't be so nervous. Me nervous? Are you mad? I'm chill.
I'm
I don't lose. I don't lose, guys. I don't know what you guys are talking about. I never lose. Look. He's gonna move his TP again. He's gonna move his stop
you know
loss
what I'm
again.
doing now? I'm just waiting until it flips. I ain't doing anything.
He's gonna move his
I
stop.
CVA to move my TP like 100 times.
I see a trap. Oh, that's good. Because I need to trap a rat here, trying to rat me out of my position here. It was Mario.
What's the rap from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles called?
Shifu.
That's not Shifu. That's from Kung Fu Panda.
Probably Sensei something. Oh, I forgot his
Sensei.
name. Not Uguay. Definitely not Uguay.
Oogway, bro. Man's master Oogway on the chart. Next onesie has been chosen.
Yeah. Ratting me out of my position. Oh,
That's-
Master
man,
Splinter.
bad boy,
Yes.
Master Splinter.
My boy. That's you right now, bro. I need to trap you in it.
Master Splinter. Is that what you name?
Yeah, keep moving that keep moving that SL, bro. Keep moving that SL.
You're saying it like I've entered though. I haven't entered.
I know, but still, look, it's gonna. You watch.
At this rate, I
Yeah.
won't even get an entry.
Precisely. That's
Guys,
what I'm trying to do.
TJ is just depressing today.
That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to not make you enter
It's like
something.
you guys wanted an entertaining stream. Well, you already used up your bars of energy at the start.
You really have. You
We
really
u-
have used
I
it,
think
yeah.
we used up the bars at the start, didn't we? GJ's like, nah, you've had enough.
You had enough fun for today.
You had enough
So
fun.
you think it will go past 1782? Let's look at gold. Honestly, so my entry would be 1773. If you guys want a confluence, one because there's a previously there was a consolidation around that in gold, 1773, and I'm using the POC as stop loss. We'll also end up retesting the VWAP as well, which is still anchored to the daily leg, which is still one leg at the moment. And what else? Oh, 61.8 retracement. If you guys use fib, 61.8 retracement, and overall bullish structure at the moment. As for yeah, we're bullish structure on gold as well. And if we break 1772 on gold, and we finish below there in a 4 hour, then we will be bearish. So at that point, our trade is invalid. So you probably want to close the trade anyways and look for a re-entry somewhere else. But yeah, that'll be my entry. It'll all be on Discord. Every single thing I said it will be on Discord and stuff. But yeah, and meanwhile, looking for a deal's entry.
Of course. I ain't taking no L's here, bro. Don't worry.
Yeah, you ain't
We
no taking
wait.
it out. But I'm waiting. I'm looking for the entry right now, bro. Where's it gone?
Looking for Mark's stop loss. Oh, is that,
Yeah,
is that it? 40
you're
pips
hunting
away.
it.
Are you waiting?
Hunting it,
Literally,
bro.
once my trade pushes up, where's Mark's TP? Where's it? Guys, for references, Mark's stop loss is here. I'm just putting a red line just to. I'm just gonna notify everyone.
Oh gosh, you hunted it. Yeah, you're like, yep, taking that.
It's literally the target. Shit, outside snow again. Yeah, apparently it even snowed where I'm staying overnight. It's crazy. We might get snow in England in winter for once. Let's see.
One day we should have a separate stream during London, and then we'll just try to fight, like, in terms of finding each other's liquidity. Just
Yeah.
keep trying to tap each other. That'd be funny.
Yeah, I was saying yesterday to Mark, me and him should do a sparring in the snow. Imagine that.
Yeah, bro, that sounds dangerous. I can't lie, I'd be slipping.
Exactly.
My footwork isn't good enough to,
Legit.
like.
You think you're slick, yeah? You dodge a punch and you're like, okay, nah, face plant.
Yeah. Oh crap. 1, 2, 3. Start counting down.
Both good reactions at 618. 72. You on
I don't
about
really use
gold.
Fib. I don't really use it. I can't lie, but
Oh, that's Fib, yeah.
there is a reaction around. There will be a 61.8 reaction around 1773 for gold. So.
Yeah, at this point, it looks like there's no trade at all.
Yes. That's not an L for you, but that's a W for me. That means you didn't get entered in, and then it's a big W for me. I can't lie.
That's why candle closes alone aren't enough for me, because especially I think if you're the more intraday you are, the lower time frames you go, candle closes are dangerous. They're meaningless. It's the momentum that's more important on the lower you go, in my opinion.
You should get cumulative delta as well then. When I start using it, you should start using it as well. It's good for momentum.
I want to use delta just because it's delta.
Yeah, you have no delta in your name, yeah. The delta user. Delta's a delta user. Ooh. Crazy.
Yeah, eventually, I think we will try using that depth of market. Maybe once we get to the hedge fund level, we'll definitely have it. We'll need to have it.
Yeah, one day. We keep leveling up every day.
It'll be funny because we'll actually turn into a real hedge fund. Because the way I always saw it was, we're going to be trading this way in a hedge fund. Like technical analysis, right?
No.
But by that point, we'll have so much volume. We'll be like, you know what?
We need to use depth market.
We'll have leveled up as well.
Although that requires billions to really do that. We'll see. Yeah. It'll be a
billions
long journey ahead. It'll basically, you need really like billions to really affect the forex market in terms of like having no liquidity.
I wasn't talking about affecting. I mean, I saying because
along
the way we're always leveling up. So it'll be funny. Maybe by that time, we probably will have implemented the actual hedge fund techniques. So the depth of market, how many orders are actually coming in. Their thing is crazy. If no one knows what I'm talking about, they literally have numbers on their screen saying, okay, at this level, there's 100. Okay, it's hard to visualize, but at this level, 100 lots are coming in. This level, 100 lots. This lot, this many orders. This many orders, and they can see hedge fund orders, normal orders, retail orders. That's the true, I think, the true truth of the market, because you're literally seeing orders.
No. The truth is the math thing, isn't it? The Brownian motion TA retard.
It is the Brownian retard. That is true.
What a name! What a name, though. Amazing name, by the way. Whoever made up with who made
what,
like
Brownian
TA retard.
Yeah, I think he was being serious. I think he was basically saying, there's mathematicians out here putting in all this time and effort, and you're just here drawing a line and making money. That was his point.
Oh, I mean, I get it, but you don't have to be mad about it. Do you know what I mean?
That was his point.
Stay mad, innit? Stay mad.
It's 2022. This is the way of the world. It's okay.
You know what I mean? Stay mad, bro. Are you putting all this work and effort for what?
Legit. 1 minute.
But yeah, we'll see.
It's flipping up.
Yeah, I definitely want to use footprint and DOM and Delta, just to see what it's like. Out of all the institutional indicators that I know of.
Yeah, I'm waiting for this candle to close now.
That's the only thing I'm interested in. Hey, no waiting for candle closes, bro. I don't like, no. Just close the trade. Close the trade, bro.
I'm not interested.
I know.
1 minute. I see here was a good stop loss.
Oh, look at gold dropping, bro. It is destroying every single thing in its path. Although still no top wick though.
5 minute
Yeah.
flipped on GJ.
I think so.
I mean, yeah, the whole candle's about to flip. But 30 minute. That is a dead candle. Please, what's going on?
That is a beautiful candle close for buyers. That is. Not for me though. Gold reversal coming up. Honestly, I'm still gonna wait for it to go down 1773. As I said, it is very bullish at the moment, so there is a good chance it does go into your favor. To be fair, so good luck with that trade, bro.
How's this 30 minute closing? Dead. 15 minute. Is a rejection candle of sorts. Alright, if we make a bottom wick and we start to push up and break these highs, then I'll enter. But right now there's no bottom wick, so let's see.
I don't trade intraday really, so I wouldn't be able to like, you know.
Yeah,
Really say that's
same
right.
idea again. I'm gonna wait for this flip upwards. Stop us below. GJ, brother. Either collapse or push upwards. I want
Collapse.
I want
Not one or the other. No, collapse. No, don't give the option, bro. No options. What you doing? What you doing to me, bro?
True. We're gonna have to sacrifice a dub for an L today. It's gonna be a sacrificial lamb, you know.
Yeah, don't be a splinter, bro. Don't be a splinter, bro. Come on now.
You gotta be a splinter, bro.
Don't be a splinter, G.
Alright, whenever someone's going against you, okay, they're a splinter from now.
Yeah, there is splinter. Yeah,
Fucking rat.
it's going my way. I'm not surprised because I always get it right. 100% trade. I'm joking, by the way, guys. It's a joke. I lose a lot.
Yeah, Fernando is nasty. It's just annoying, isn't it? It's very weird.
Disgusting price action. Get rid of GJ, honestly, from your charts, boys. Just get rid of it. Not worth it.
Let's all migrate to another pair. It's just.
I'd recommend just trading like, I don't know, silver. No, that's too good.
Silver.
Trade
Bro,
daisies.
Get off. What's this shit?
Trade daisies.
Well said, Mark. Wait, what did you say again?
Trade daisies.
Well said. Preparing for this big green candle. Okay, you're all talking about gold.
I'm gonna start trading drugs.
Oh, that's a good trade-off, Fernand.
Wait, that's a good one, mate. That's a good one.
Man's about
Honestly,
to join
less risk.
the cartel, bro.
Less risk, honestly. Get rid of GJ for sure. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
way less risk. What do you mean? Of course it's way less risk. GJ is emotional damage. That's what GJ is. Trading in general.
Yeah.
Trading in general. Emotional damage.
Yeah, I'm swapping GJ to drugs.
We're gonna sell geek bars now from now on. That's what we're
Geek
doing.
bars. Oh gosh. Nah, to be honest, the best thing just buy Prime and sell it on.
Oh, nah, never say that again.
That's the best way to
Never
make,
say Prime again.
that's the best way to make money in 2022.
Prime.
Shout out to KSI and
You
the
go
Logan
to a
Ball.
foreign country, get it for £5 a bottle. You come here, £20.
Exactly.
Easy money.
You lot. Bro, elite man out here switching.
We need to have a traders boxing thing one day. Eventually, it'll be
Yeah.
sick.
I don't want to go
All
against
these
any of you lot,
scammers,
to be honest.
call out all of these scammers.
Oh,
like, what?
right.
Now,
Okay,
bro.
okay.
Come
Yeah,
on.
but this. Yeah, I don't want to go against Americans though.
What, for boxing?
Yeah, but they might come in strapped. You don't know.
Well,
You don't know,
I
bro.
meant official boxing.
Nah.
Oh, you're saying on the street?
Nah.
Yeah, America's different.
But
From
elite
what I've
man out
heard,
here though.
from what I've
elite
heard
man.
about America, everyone like and their dad has a gun just on them.
Nah, but to be
Or
fair,
in their car at least.
Yeah. Well, it seems like soon GJ. Elite man out here switching sides every second, bro. I can't lie. Come on, elite man, pick a lane.
Come on, mate. Stop being on the fence. What are you doing? But now that's his strategy, isn't it?
Buying gold here. Let's see. Ooh, beautiful reaction with this. With the 1783 level, 1783.300 level. Let's see. We also had consolidation prior to this. Let's look at the POC of this to here.
Oh yeah, Mark, is what you said. Sorry to cut you off. Actually, is
Yeah, carry on.
Is it playing out? Because you were saying it was going to reject that level and push upwards. Okay, interesting.
It takes sides where I can make money, nothing more, nothing less. Fair enough. That is a great way of putting it.
That's true.
I only trade because of my trading style. I only trade with direction realistically, but it's a higher time frame direction, not lower time frame one.
Oh mate, his shorts would have been perfect, Marcus. I guess there was no topic at all on this candle. It just carried on.
No, but
going
he's looking
on.
to buy here though. He's looking to buy up.
No, but when he said short, he literally entered here.
Yeah, fair enough to him. It's beautiful. It is beautiful
If
shots.
not down here, I don't know.
It's beautiful shots.
W for Marcus in the chat.
I don't know what your strategy is, Marcus, but let us know, man. We'd love to learn.
It's another strategy to steal, you know.
Yeah, honestly. Are you gonna make
Collecting
a
the
journal?
Infinity Stones, you know.
Are you gonna make a journal like mine, by the way?
Who, me?
Yeah.
For next year or just in general?
Yeah, for next year. For next year.
Oh yeah, sure. I mean, you might as well.
It won't be the same. It won't be the exact same one though.
That's the
It
thing.
can't be.
Because we
It
track
can't be.
different things, right?
Yeah.
What we'll
it
do
can't
is
be.
we'll have a deals trades. Click this, marks.
Yeah.
To this, and then in general we'll have one combining the trades where it'll
Yeah,
just
yeah.
be a general win loss, risk reward, and whoever
Look, we
wants
could
to
test
do
it next year. Yeah, we could test it next year, like a full test of putting our strategies together, what the results are.
Yeah.
Try it next year. I don't know where we want to take put the trades public or not because we don't want people really copying them yet. We don't have data. Do you know what I mean?
Put in what public?
Like all the trades we take together. Because we have no data to back whether it'll fully work or not. We don't want to mislead anyone. It's my point.
I mean, I don't know. If we backtest it and we just see the results working out, honestly,
Alright, yeah, fair enough. Okay, fair enough.
I would
That's
use it on stream. That's like the whole point, innit?
Okay, fair enough.
No,
I was
no.
gonna do a whole year of testing, but that's fine. I don't mind.
No, I mean,
Also, GJ rallied again. Are you joking? Like, get a life, GJ.
it depends how much intuition's involved in it. If because with the backtesting, if half of it is just looking at price action, then I don't know. You can't.
Yeah, we can't really. Yeah,
You
we'll see.
can.
We'll see.
It
We'll
depends.
see. We'll see. Yo, watch gold. I bet you rallied.
Yeah, I
Nice.
just want that high risk reward, high win rate strategy. It's gonna happen. I want it.
Good chance if it breaks. I'm gonna wait for the next level. I short the top. I'm buying the bottom now. Always works out, by the way. Not always, but like 70%. Okay, fair enough, man. Watch the graph. Watch gold, bro. Watch gold. Watch gold. He's buying. I'm watching gold. Don't worry.
Hold up, sorry. I'm looking to trade GJ. So
I watch gold.
priorities.
Oh, still on top wick. So yeah, as I said, it's still very valid.
It's a tricky one in GJ because
GJ is literally just pissing about. Honestly, it's
honestly, mate.
annoying as heck. Annoying as heck.
What
Maybe
is
we have
it?
one more day of consolidation and then we start to rally again. According to my back test, on average, I'd spend 5 days in a trade for it to hit TP.
Really?
Yep.
I swear it's faster than that usually.
Nah, I just didn't track it before, but now I do, and it's actually average 5 days.
Mad. Alright, let me put a pip.
Wouldn't it take liquidity first? That's what I'm thinking, honestly, and
Are
that's
we
what.
on GJ? GJ
That's what I'm
or gold?
afraid
I don't
of.
know. Are you talking about gold?
Nah, GJ, I think. If it's
GJ,
GJ,
we grabbed this here. We have got more, but I like the momentum, and we did take equal lows here. So entry
think
on the
I'm-
fourth day. Yeah, legit.
because if oh, that is true. Yeah. You know what?
It
No, you
depends
make a
if you
good
mean
point.
5 days of drawdown. In this case,
No,
yeah.
5 days of consolidation, and then it starts to push down. So yeah, I mean that's why I track the time to see if I can actually enter more effectively.
Yeah.
And but yeah, it's in the works, no, it's in the works.
Everything
As
is
for
in the
GJ
works.
grabbing liquidity first, if it grabs liquidity, I get tapped out. That's the issue. So right now, I am the liquidity because of the structure it created. So obviously, when I entered, the structure wasn't created at the time, but now it has. And obviously, as soon as I get tapped out, as soon as it grabs liquidity, unfortunately, I am that liquidity.
Alright, it's pushing up now. So stop loss is gonna be. Yeah, it's looking like we are actually gonna break this high, finally.
Gold?
Stop loss
Ah.
will be 166.846 right now. Let me double check that. Yeah.
Gold. Yeah, it could. That's what I'm thinking. It could potentially grab that 1781 first, grab all stop losses, and then potentially rally. But again, I'm expecting it to go even lower. It might not, but I do want a deeper pullback. When I get a better price, my stop loss will, be smaller.
So you'll take it.
And then obviously we could potentially rally from there. Decent amount of compliments in that level as well. So yeah, I'll be waiting for it to go down to 1773 before I even enter. But we shall see, boys. We shall see.
Sorry,
I do also
841.
841. Okay, this is
It's a little extra breathing room.
Oh, you entered. Oh, ooh,
No, we haven't
ooh,
entered. We haven't entered.
scary.
Calm yourself down. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
1782. Yeah, I'm thinking 1782 will get
Have I
tapped
lost the
first. And if it goes back up into that 1782, then it might not be a bad idea to buy and start rallying. It might start rallying from there, all the way up to potentially 1805. As I said, 1805 would be a good one. For me, my stop loss will always have to be below the sell side liquidity of 1763.329. So I really don't want to enter so high, because at that point, even if it trickles down and taps me at my stop loss, it's still a valid trade to push to the upside. So I'm just basically taking the safest trade I can find realistically, and the one with less risk basically. And that for me is 1773.727. Sorry.
Yeah, so risk reward will be maybe a decent risk reward. So around 1 to 1 to the order block, and then 1 to 2 at the actual highs. I like the highs because we are in bullish structure quite a few time frames. Then 20 pips more. We got Mark's stop loss here, so should be good.
It's like a tour, isn't it? If you guys look on the left here, we have Mark's stop
Legit.
loss that we're going to be hunting.
Yeah. As you can see, we've got clean candles to the left.
We're easily going to take, easy stop loss hunt right here, boys.
Oh yeah, you still need to do that weather forecasting though, properly.
Or doing a mark. Nah, he's not entered yet. What do you mean doing a mark? What's a doing a mark mean, bro? What's that mean?
It's the hesitation.
What's that mean? I don't hesitate entering a trade, bro. What do you mean?
I'm not
If I see a
doing
position, I'll
mark.
take it. Wait,
when
a
did
lie.
you hesitate? Was that on? Did I miss?
Cap.
Did I miss
Nah, I've
something?
never hesitated. I've never hesitated taking a trade on anything. Not that I can remember.
Oh, it's because of there's 2 trades, but I'm about to enter, and you say I'm waiting for a pullback.
Oh, right.
I'm waiting for a pullback. Okay, it didn't come. Okay, I missed it.
It is what it is. It's part of my strategy, boys. All right.
Yeah.
It's part of my strategy. You can't be at me. All right. You can't be at me with my own strategy.
Trademark, doing a mark.
What color's your view at, huh, boys? What color's your view at?
Legit.
Buys on gold. Absolutely. Yeah. Look at that. Fake dump. We're starting to push back up. He called it. Definitely called it. We'll see, man. We'll see.
GJ has got me like on a roller coaster right now. What are you doing?
GJ's been doing this for me for the past day or two, mate. So welcome to the club.
Am I in a microcosm now? It's just,
Yeah.
here's the fractal market. It's doing to Mark what it does to.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it shows practically. Yeah, definitely. Adeel try ambush Mark. He always does, mate. He's a splinter.
Splinter.
Not only is he a rat, he's also a thorn on my side. Do you know what I mean?
A rat and a thorn. Jesus.
Double meaning, boys. Meaning. I might be wrong. Gold may have got me. As I said, buys are definitely valid, right? But the issue is we also have liquidity sitting down here, where stop losses are quite obviously sitting around. So we could end up hunting that. But again, it might not. It might continue rallying from here. We don't know. Again, it's all down to your interpretation. For me, I'm not entering until we reach 1773. Whether I miss a trade, so be it. Don't really care. I know I'll get the next one anyways. I'm practically doing a mark. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm doing a mark. Still don't know what that means, to be honest. I knew you have to explain it to me. Say it to the Zoom call, Nu. Join the Zoom call. You won't.
Yeah.
Oh,
We
guys,
hate
good
to
night.
join before you, man. We were talking about it.
Good night,
You-
Fernando, bro.
We were saying we thought Nu would do it. Is Fernando off?
He's going to bed.
You should-
Fair enough,
Alright,
man. It's
sound
like
Fernando.
12 a.m. 12 a.m., bro.
See you
Yeah.
tomorrow. Last day of the week.
Last day of the week. And then we have one more week
I
of
think-
live streaming, and then we
Yeah.
take a break.
I think Nu's probably going to enter this as well, I'm guessing. Yeah, guys, if this candle closes like this, I'm going to enter on the break of...
Doing a mark, I'm waiting. Yeah, that is true. I do wait a lot. Hey, guys. Okay, think about it.
Yeah,
Trading is 90% fishing.
What?
You have to wait. Just waiting for that. For you don't catch a fish by going to the water and grabbing it yourself. Now you wait, right? You sit there, you wait for it to
Okay.
come to you, and then you reel it in, and then you got it.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna enter on the break of this candle here. Actually, no, sorry. It could just wake up and that's a little dangerous. I can't lie.
It's stop losses.
I nearly made a fatal mistake there.
Oh.
Nearly, but we don't make fatal mistakes over here. So
That's a bit deep. Fatal mistake.
it is. Come on, bro.
Okay.
Oh, we're gonna do the
stop
same
loss.
thing again. Jesus, how is this candle closed? Oh, guys,
No,
I'm not buying. The buy is over, everyone. I'm not buying. It's
What?
gone.
Why?
Terrible
happened?
candles.
What's happening?
No, I mean
Nah,
it's just it's not a good. It's not a rejection candle or bullish candle. I'm out. New. I don't know if you're entering, but I would have entered way below.
I'm lost.
Yeah.
Are you actually like not entering? I'm lost.
No, I'm just not entering because it was a bearish candle.
All right. Okay.
You're safe. Your stop loss is safe, bro. So far.
For now.
I don't know if
for
it
now,
pushes
for
up
now,
now.
for
But...
now.
Yeah, knew it was interesting. We had this liquidity grab, clear flat lows taken into. Check this. Literally fair value got right below, and I'm sure it's in the 50%. It did spike the low. Yeah, it's a waste. It's a waste of time for us.
It's a waste of my time, to be honest. Oh.
Into the 50%. Yeah, that was. If you're ICT right now, you're living life, bro. If you're
Nah,
ICT trader.
they're taking a break, mate.
Who ICT?
Yeah, all them on the liquidity lot. Taking
All
a
of
break.
them.
Yeah.
The liquidity lot. That's a good one.
Liquidity lot.
The liquidity lot. But yeah, it's
The
fine.
LLs. double
GJ just
Ls.
decided to play with me for like bloody 2 hours, and it's like, nah, bro, no trade.
Double Ls. Liquidity lot.
Liquidity lot.
They take 2 Ls before they get a W.
That's actually
That's too nice. That's too nice.
yeah, more like 3.
Yeah. No offense to ICT lovers. Yeah.
Emotional damage.
No offense to ICT lovers. It's just a joke. It's all pranks, all entertainment purposes only. They're gonna challenge me. There was some ICT guys gonna challenge me to like some trade off or something, aren't they? Because I talk so much crap about them. Not just them though. I say it to Roger as well. To be honest, like Roger strategy.
There's 2 ends, isn't there?
Like everyone can get the smoke.
Everyone
Do you know what I
can get
mean?
the smoke.
It's rated R for everyone. What rated E for everyone?
Yeah.
Whoops.
I'm curious. There's 7 people watching. Is everyone here from the Discord? Was there anyone new?
I mean, Marcus is new.
Marcus, I swear I've seen Marcus talking here before as well.
No, I don't think so. I think he's new.
Is it your first time here, Marcus?
Pretty sure it
I
is.
don't know where I saw his name before, but yeah, I wonder. Sad Cash, I know he's been here a while. New Marcus, Elite Man. So
Elite Man's
3
definitely
more.
been there.
I'm guessing one of them is Mark.
Hubert.
So we got 2 more. Yeah, I'm wrapped in. Oh, okay. So you're wrapped. I got you. I was wondering who that was. Which one
Oh yeah. Okay, got you now. Okay, so I was actually I didn't know who that was as well. That makes sense now. Lovely. Marcus is I thought he was new. To be honest, he's concentrating on his gold sales. I wouldn't disturb the guy.
Yeah.
I mean gold buys. Sorry, gold buys.
James is dealing with some intense cases.
It's now. James
in
is
South
dealing
Africa.
with. Yeah, he is. He is.
Yeah, I thought you.
Bro, man's woke up at 4 a.m. to get to work. Like what?
Is that what you
Excuse me?
said?
Yeah, he sleeps at like 11, wakes up at 4 to get to work or something,
Mad.
and the rest he just takes either trading. I mean, have you seen his like what's it called, his Excel sheet? It looks pretty sick, to be fair. That's what I was trying to do.
Oh yeah. So
That's what I will do. That's what I will do. Anyways, that's what I'm gonna do.
What?
Basically have like the whole charts and everything on the dashboard bit, and then all the trades taken on a separate page, and then the journal on a separate page, maybe a psychological page. I don't know what I'll do for psychology yet.
Wait, so you're gonna separate it out basically.
Yeah.
In what way though? What do you mean? So
I'll show you.
instead of putting pictures all on one table, you're just gonna have it number
I
one, number two.
I shall show you.
Thing is, Notion's good, but I remember when I used Excel, you can do so much more with it.
You can.
Easier,
I mean,
more easier as well.
no. Notion's very powerful for certain things, especially for word-based stuff. But for like data-based stuff, like no, you can't beat Google Sheets, Excel, or whatever you want to use.
Google
but here
Sheets
you
is
go.
always slow for me. I never liked it.
It is, but like it's more accessible for most people, so that's why I was gonna put it on here. There we go. Okay, so obviously this is the trade's taken, right? And then obviously I'm gonna have the trade log over here. Very basic as of right now. I haven't really added anything. You're right about it being slow, to be honest.
Because you got
so
10
the trade
tabs open.
That's true.
Maybe that's why.
We have trades outcome results of time and trade as well, and then the dashboard over here. And you got the Enigma dashboard over here. We'll have the chart over here, some charts over here, some charts over here, data over here, data over here, data over here, data over here. And then I have like some sort of tool where I can put my current trade and see the estimated win rate of that trade according to previous data. That's what I'll do anyways. Yeah. Because right now that's the plan. Pretty good.
Yeah.
2023, big things.
Big thing.
We will make what's it called, journaling, compulsory on the group.
Yeah. Eventually,
I think it'd be a good idea.
An
make
accountability
compulsory.
system. Eventually, we do want to do it.
Yeah, but you have to sign up to it. I get it.
Yeah,
That's
you
a
have to
thing.
agree. It's not just okay. You're in the.
We're not just
Discord.
gonna make you do it just because you joined the group. You have to kind of agree with that.
Yeah.
And obviously, we will very much push you agreeing to it because it's
Yeah.
good for you. But
No, honestly, guys, accountability is massive for. It's like you're forcing yourself to be good. Like imagine you got a group where you're saying, okay, guys, everyone has to send their journals every day. Everyone has to send backtesting if you want, because some people don't need it because they're so.
and if you don't do it, you get shunned by everyone and get kicked off the
No,
group.
you literally get kicked off the group. You're
Oh,
out.
what? Nah. I
Not
wouldn't do
Discord,
that.
but not
Yeah.
Discord, but the accountability thing.
Yeah. Okay. And then the top 5 wins, and then whoever the top 5
Yeah.
is left, I don't know, gets a prize. Being good.
Yeah,
The prize is profitability, I guess.
yeah. Potentially, that's one thing. Potentially, sending a track record, but that's another level.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah, we'll see.
There's too many ideas in the world, you know. It's too many.
Yeah, there
ideas.
is. That's why I write them all down, so like we can
Same.
filter them through step by step and be like, okay, which one we're gonna
That's
do
it.
first.
Bro, it'll be 2 a.m. I get
Yeah.
some random thought. I'm like, shit, I gotta write it down before.
We have no lack of ideas. Some of them are very stupid. Don't get me wrong, and we'll never do them.
Yeah,
but-
yeah.
There could be a point where some parts of it could be useful and be like, oh, okay, we could use that part of it, and then pretty
Yeah.
good.
But obviously, it all takes work as well. The main thing is the live streams are the main part which need to stay consistent, and that's
Yeah.
easy because, like I said, we used to do this anyway.
We just need to
Yeah, Elite Man. If you go down my reminders list on my phone, bro, so much shit.
You guys want to see? You guys want to see
even-
some of them?
Oh yeah, I mean,
Here you go.
I don't think there's anything we can't show.
Not really. I mean, you guys can copy it if you want. Like, you might beat us to it, but you know what? Screw you. We have
Yeah,
more ideas
but-
anyways.
They don't mean anything until we do them. Let me just say that.
Exactly. They're
We
just
don't want
ideas.
any
of-
respect just for saying, "Oh, we're gonna do this." Because
Yeah.
give the respect when we've actually done it. Yeah, show it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm trying. There's just so many things on Notion. I don't want to show everything on Notion, but screw it. Here you go, boys. Here's our Notion
RIP
page.
To anyone
Name-
who bought here, boys. Good thing you didn't buy.
Where is it? Mark's and
morning,
Adeel's crazy
James.
ideas.
Perfect timing.
James is back. Okay, so first of all, so this is one of our ideas for Enigma investing app, easy replicated. So basically, what we're gonna do is try and code something where people can deposit money, and then there are different levels of risk. For this, basically, the target audience for this is people that don't have time to invest, but still want to invest. The idea is obviously you have a guaranteed 2% ROI, whatever, but we'll just make it. Yeah, investing app is the idea. I won't go into definitely. A technical trading bot, again, that one's in the works. That's why I'm trying to make everything black and white with my trading. So I'm trying to, mathematically give every single thing a definition. And the Enigma trading conversion, this one's going to be quite sick actually. So this one is, our plan is to solve like the issues with FX drama, calling people fake, and so on and so forth. So what the plan is, people can can wager a certain amount into a trading account, and then they can go at it, and then their results will be live. You can't change it. They can't do anything with that with it. And then whoever wins the account and whatever.
It's like that trading World Cup I was showing the other day.
Yeah, but this one obviously the point is for two people that have beef on trading and they want to sort it out with their skills. There you go. And the other thing is obviously you can challenge your friends for friendly competition, challenge random people for a bit of a challenge, or hold tournaments. Don't matter. Again, the prop firm, you guys know about this. We always wanted to make a prop firm ourselves. That'll soon come. The hedge fund, again, this one is in a bit of a longer term idea. So yeah, we'll keep on that. Enigma Salesforce, again, this one, it's just something that we thought about because we have all of this, and we're trying to make Enigma into a brand, so why not try to do something about that? Real estate, any money that we make excess, put into real estate for safekeeping. An audit software, a better version of MyFX book, because right now MyFX book can easily be tampered with, can easily be changed. So I want to try and change that. We want to try and change that into a better system. This one's quite a good one. So a Skillshare type. You guys don't know if you guys know what Skillshare is. It's basically a lot of people that know certain things about certain topics come together and then make a video about it, all informative. Maybe you can do that for Forex. So people that know certain skills, so people that specialize in swing trading, they can put a video about that. Or people that specialize in scalping, people that specialize in depth of markets, people that specialize in smart money, whatever. They can put their ideas on here. It'll be a monthly costing, and everyone can get paid for the amount of views they get. Obviously monetary is quite important when it comes to things like this. People aren't just going to give their skills and their information out for free, so that one unfortunately can't be a free system. But whatever. This one doesn't have to be complete Enigma. It just be a complete thing by itself. Is what it is. But basically, those are so far ideas, but this is just one part of it. We also have so many in our own notes that we haven't spoken about yet. These are just ones that we've spoken about as of right now.
Yeah.
But many ideas, many ideas.
Pick off,
But as Adeel said, it's not real until we've done it.
Yeah, that's it. The first is like growing the audience
absolutely.
First. Growing the audience is a massive part of it. Just the social media side, basically, and being good traders is at the heart of it. So that's why the back testing,
Exactly. That's why me and Adeel are going to take 2 or 3 weeks off, what's called live streaming, and literally going to be back testing for 4 or 5 whatever hours, and just literally sort it out then. Get ready for 2023, smash out 2023, pass the FTMO for everyone, happy days, everyone can get money, everyone can get income, happy days.
Good,
all rainbows and sunshines in Enigma Trading Group. Until something happens.
Legit.
Basically, that's the idea. If you guys like any of those ideas, steal them. We have plenty more. Whatever. Screw you guys.
Because a lot of those things other people have done already, but we're just planning to do it better. And there's a couple unique ideas. So that's the main thing. Yeah,
the
look
prop
at
firm
GJ,
one,
bro. We were gonna buy this James, and then I decided not to.
The prop firm one, we have a bit of a basically we're trying to do everything maybe some people have done, but add a USP to it that makes it so much better. That's the idea, as Adeel said.
Yeah.
A unique selling point.
Yeah, no, stick around. You're always gonna be that OG who joined us when we were talking shit.
We'll try our best, anyways. We'll try our best. It's obviously it's a lot of work, don't get me wrong, and it's quite jarring seeing all that and be like, whoa. But
yeah,
I like pressure.
I was waiting for these highs to get broken here, and then this high, and then the momentum just wasn't there, so I just waited.
Yeah.
There's nothing old. Mark's stop loss is,
Stop loss is safe. Never getting tapped. Never getting tapped.
It's looking like momentum's come in now, so.
Yeah, we would help. Of course.
Of course, we're gonna get you guys involved whenever we can.
Absolutely.
Of course, man. I was gonna say, maybe even get you guys on the team if you want. I don't know what you guys are like with that, but I've always thought, because we know most of you guys, just judging from here, if you're joining guys with 5 people watching, and you're talking this much, you are trustworthy, I would say.
Well, the thing is, I don't know if
vet
you guys,
you after, not just randomly hire you.
I don't know if you guys want to work for anyone really.
That's what I'm wondering. That's what I'm wondering.
That's the issue. That's the issue, isn't it? Because obviously you guys are traders. You guys want to be working for yourselves, and that's the idea. But Gold bouncing back, is it? Let's go. Let's see. Yeah, it is. It is. But again, we still haven't grabbed that liquidity in the bottom, so still waiting.
Yeah. Anyway, it is coming up to 9 o'clock.
Wow, part-time trader. Let's go.
9 o'clock, yeah. I mean, G just dead anyway.
It is. I mean, I'm no longer in drawdown.
Yeah.
So
Drawdown trader. man's a drawdown trader. So, yeah.
yo. No, I'm a waiting trader. I just wait
Yeah,
to actually execute.
He's a
Gonna catch
hesitation trader.
It's only
Yeah.
11, bro. It's
I mean, the charts are dead anyway. GG ain't doing shit. But
yeah. I think it is what it is.
But yeah, we'll be on tomorrow, obviously. Same time, 6:45.
Marcus, join the Discord, man. We'd honestly love your input on it. Obviously, it's completely free. No upsell, no nothing. We're not
It's
selling
in
you
the description.
nothing. But yeah, join the Discord. Everyone, we will obviously be on Discord, and I'll show you guys the trade and stuff. What day is your trade, Mark? 3 or 4? What day is it? It's the second day. Second day. No,
it?
third day. Third day.
So we're getting close to the drop.
We're getting close to the breakout, boys.
Alright, sound boys. We'll see you lot tomorrow at 6:45, same time. Nah,
I have no friends.